How's it going, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back. Can you all hear me? Let's see how this goes this morning. So, let's tell you what you guys, if you guys can hear me and everything. I did a test run this morning early. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything turned out well. I've been working on this for like a couple hours this morning. So just give me a thumbs up, guys, if this is working well. And we'll get that out of the way and we'll get into some stuff here. Hey, brother. Hey, guys. Oh, man, I felt so bad about this. Hopefully this works. I'm just praying that this works because I only can test out on this end. The actual feed is the test. All good? Yes, yes. You guys do not even know how stressed I've been. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you, God. There is a God up there. So, guys, you should be able to hear me a little bit louder on the mic than usual. I guess all along, everything's been messed up with these drivers. Like, you gotta love Microsoft, eh? Yeah, I don't really care for them at all. But what else do you do? Anyways, enough of that. How are you guys doing? So, have some coffee with you right now. We'll have a look at the market here. I did configure the Webull stock screener in the back. I just wanted to know that it's a little bit bigger, the print, so hopefully that'll help you. It's a little big on this side, but I can get used to it, so just bear with me. So we'll put that over here. I gotta move these screens around. I got another screen getting hooked up here too. I'm gonna start day trading again here, I guess. So I just had to transfer some money over to an account. You have to at least minimum 25G in there to do it. So I had to just waiting for some money to clear, and we're just gonna pull. Okay, I'll use this here. Just give me a minute to get set up here, guys, as I always do. And oh, Mr. L, yeah, guys. Love you all for the support and stuff. And yeah, man, there's some crazy stuff happening last night. I was looking, I came on, not that I have any stock at Bath & Beyond. What is it doing still? I don't even know. Is it on this one? Is it on this screen? I thought I had it on there. I thought I had it on a watch list. Oh yeah, it's up 58%, 59% right now. It's having a little bit of FOMO going on. There's a little bit of a battle on with the institutions on that one. It is shorted to shit. Big time. That's what we need. We're going to have our day, guys. We're going to have our day, okay? We did have a pretty good push. It was up about $7 last night, but it didn't last long. It lasted for about 3 minutes, and then it went back down. Well, not that much. We're at 5.8 right now. We will not have the wolf sound this morning, though, okay? I'm just going to give you guys heads up on that. I haven't had time to get that together. I've already got some more... I got all stuff hardwired in the studio now. Yeah, money. But anyways, we got the TV hardwired now in the back. The screen came for it. Christopher bought it, wrong size, had to send it back, and I think it got lost in transition. I haven't heard anything on it, so it is what it is. One thing at a time, right? Is the volume a little bit louder at all for you guys? Because I know we've had one of the lowest volume channels out there. I just want to check this stuff because I only can find out from you guys, right? And I'm just asking for feedback. It's your guys' channel. I've always said that, man. So anyways, I'm going to go through a list here, guys. I can just turn around and watch the big screen, right? Oh, yeah, that's way clearer. Holy crow. Oh, wow. That's crazy. Yeah, that's huge. That's big difference. It is. Yeah, I have a really good feeling, guys, about this. So let's just go here. I know we don't have this. We've lost half of our viewers in the morning, but I know the regulars are here. It is what it is, right? Everybody has problems in life, right? So it is what it is, guys. We're going to be back in a swing here again. I'm just going to start at the top. Alfred, good morning. Christopher, good morning. Sanjay, good morning. Jay, good morning. How you doing, brother? Mr. L. Mr. L. Okay, Warren, how you doing, bro? OG. M6T. Hey, haven't seen you in a while, bro. Okay, Yorkie. Dude, I haven't seen, there's some regulars on here, some OGs, man, from like back in the day. Shamron, Christopher, Joshua, Ed, David, OG, Warren. Okay, yeah, is that the list? Bottom of the list? That's MC. Wow, man, we got a whole mixture of BMO. We got a whole mixture of wolves here this morning. Right on, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. It is a lot better. Okay, the volume. Oh, sweet. Okay, cool, cool, cool. I don't even know. They didn't even have the sound driver in there on the package from, and I paid for all this from Microsoft. Yeah, Joe. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Bath and Beyond is definitely getting some FOMO. It is shorted to shit. It's gonna have its day. Like I've told you guys, I'm very, very transparent with you guys on this stuff. All of these, I don't like calling them meme stocks because Bath and Beyond, BlackBerry, those have been around. They're not the meme generation. They're old stocks. Okay, they've been around forever. I just call them for what they are. I don't like putting things in a category, but the older stocks have had a chance to get shorted. Look at this push we just got, guys. Holy crow! Look at that. Let's hold that. We're almost back up to 7% again. So this is what we need, right? Like you guys are going to come into the market one day, one morning, and we're going to see it up 50, 100, 150%. You're going to see it. You're going to know. And then shit's going to go crazy from there. That's all I got to say. What else is good in this morning? Just having a look here. Yeah, GME had its good day yesterday. I guess it went up quite a bit. It could. Yes, it could, Ed. Yeah, it can, bro. Yeah. Because all the traders that bought in, you have to remember back when COVID hit, the market collapsed, right? That big push of money that came into the system was magnificent for the market. It was beautiful, okay? But it stung a lot of people, including myself, okay? Like I said, I have 2 or 3 plays out there that I wasn't paying attention on. I was very cocky on it. And I think a lot of people, you got to kind of be truthful with yourself on this one. Admit it to yourself that you've messed up too, right? A lot of people have that problem of admitting. I don't, especially when I'm live. I'm trying to be very transparent with you guys. I messed up. I was very cocky. Oh, yeah, I'm going to make lots of money on this, right? You know what I mean? And jumped in on, for instance, BlackBerry, right? It's a beautiful stuff, but just it caught me off guard. I did not know that I was getting played by the hedgies, right? And these big institutions. They were hurting for money. They knew what the hell they're doing, right? They pushed up the market. Inside traders came in, pushed it up even more. They cashed out and it collapsed. And we got stuck holding the bag, okay? So market open in 30 seconds, guys. We're crushing it in the market at 6% right now. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this, Wolves. We're back up to $41 again, guys. So that's just my take on stuff. I know everybody has their own opinion on stuff like that, on stocks and stuff. I just broadcast what I see and what my feelings are towards the market. Everybody has their own opinion, and you're allowed to have that opinion, right? So here we go. We're open. Boom. Oh, let's go, Wolves. Let's do this today. We need our frigging day. Frig. Try not to swear. I'm trying to be a better person. Oh, did you? Okay, Joe, you bought into them. Oh, you did. Did you cash out though, bro? Yeah, see. How many of you own BlackBerry still? And that's up to you if you want to answer. Like, I'm not putting you on the spot. I'm just, yeah, because it was up. It doubled. It was up to what, $50 fucking dollars, and then it crashed. It was one of the ones that really stung. I didn't jump in on it because of the product. I usually like to like the product first. Felix, good morning, brother. Oh, guys, there's nobody on here, is there? No, there's nobody on here. JP, good morning. No, you didn't, Joe? Okay, good. Or what am I answering to? Just sorry, back is interesting morning. No, okay, I bought in the hype. Okay, good. Okay, good. You cashed out, bro? Okay. I just want to make sure. You guys should know by now what goes on. I'm trying not to be a bit of an asshole, but look at this friggin' push. Holy shit. 8.4, 8.6%, 8. Fuck. Look at that go, guys. Fuck, we're getting a retracement though. That's pretty good. Usually it goes the opposite way in the morning open, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to just tell you guys, I'm not trying to be an ass about it, but I'm just trying to like give you kind of, it's easy to get tunnel vision in the market, right? On something, especially when you want it so bad, like the AMC. It distorts your thinking, and I'm just speaking because I've gone through this. I still go through it. I fight myself all the time on stuff, right? So let's see, we're getting a bit of a pullback here, which is, it's fine. We're holding 6. As we know, good morning, Glory, good morning, Sharon, JP, Rippin. Yeah, it is that. This is classy. Yeah, it's getting up there. It's doing pretty good, actually. We got to hold this for a half an hour. If we can hold this for a half an hour, it's going to bring some people into the market. But who knows? Does anybody have the options chart at all in front of them, or can get access to that options chart? I just want to see what options are expiring this in a couple days here. I'm almost out of all the expendable cash, so I'm afraid to. Joe, brother, be careful, okay? I just want to check that Marco. What am I doing here? What's a ticker symbol for Mark, guys? Marcy Grace. I don't even know. This, as I got a new screener in front of me, so I've lost all of our contacts on there. I just wanted to have a look at that first thing in the morning for you guys. I do have a GME's just going again here hard. We got a bunch of media coverage. I know that some stuff's happened. Yeah. Joe, you're not the only one, bro. 99% of the market's 90. No, that's a little bit high. It is Mark. It's just MA. I'm not getting it up. Is the ticker? Okay, thanks, brother. Thanks, brothers. Sorry. Yeah, it is free to hold, guys. Yeah, that's a good call, man. Yeah. Why am I not getting anything coming up here? Oh, right here. Oh, this is that new screener, that new format. Shit. Okay, I've given to get used to this, okay? Usually when I click on it, it'll bring the screen up. You can't. You got to click on it and go back. Down 7. What was it at? Oh, fuck, it had a huge correction. Ugh. So yeah, I've been busy for the bit. No volume hardly in after hours. So it had a huge push up to $2, and then just give me a second, guys. I'm going to concentrate on our stock. I'm just trying to help look at this for you guys. So it keeps on going up. Excuse me. It keeps on going up during the days. They're fucking with us again. That's what they're doing. It's totally fucking with us. Exactly what they're doing. They're collapsing it during in the open hours. You guys, fuck, are they ever? Wow. Okay, so I'm seeing a trend here. They're running out of money, guys. I'm seeing this all over the market. We're getting these pumps during after hours. It doesn't cost anything to throw into the market when you're rich and pull out, okay? They don't have all these fucking penalties and shit like that. There's no tick, there's no breakers, there's a whole different rule. It's like the black market almost. It's weird. It is set up for them only, okay? And I'm seeing patterns of it. Look in here. Look at this push. That is only doing it for one reason, to go after retail investors. There's no other way that they would do that. Okay? And then they're, see the same thing. Yeah, same here, guys. Okay? I just wanted to show you something. Just be very careful. I'm seeing this all across the market. Yeah, fuck is it? That's hurting, man. Wow. Okay. I just wanted to have a look at that. I just want to make sure I was looking at the correct stuff. So, yeah. Okay. Let's have a look here 41 bucks. I'm going to actually look, I'm going to go into, just give me a second here, guys. I'm going to go in and check some options. I think I'm going to check on Stocks Era here, unless you guys got it there. Wow, we're pulling off a good stream, 99% performance. Wow, at 1080p. That's crazy, and I'm running a TV off the same line and this. That's crazy. Okay, wow. Good. Friggin' time I paid them enough money for their service. Okay, what am I doing here? What am I doing? Okay, I'm just going to go in off this chart here, my friends. If I don't collapse it on you. Okay, I'm just checking to see if it collapses the screen. Okay, I'm going to go into Stocks Era here. Okay. Do I have it on? Oh, it's right there. Sweet. I just want to see options on here, guys. See what's happening with AMC. Options right here. Oh, it's Apple. What the fuck is going on here? Apple. Apple. Who deals with Apple anymore, man? Options right here. Here we go, guys. Oh, that's fast. Holy crap. I just pushed the button. Poof. It's right there. RSSRF. No shit. It's off. Okay, what's going on? Okay, options. What's going on with this chart? Okay, Friday I'm looking for here. Holy crap. Yeah. The $42, $40 range, 39. Oh, it's lower than that. Date is it? Why isn't this screen showing? That's weird format. That's weird. Okay, we've got a lot of options expiring in the $42 range. That's what's going on, guys. Okay, I was right. So what's going on is they pushed the stock out of this because retail investors have obviously put options in the 20s. And it looks like, which I can't tell, but I'm assuming that more of the retail investors have put in the opposite. And they put into the $40, 39. It's really thick, the amount of bids on that. In between the 38 to 42, yeah. 14,000 shit on 42. That's what's going on, guys. They're just trying to make money. So they're controlling it, obviously, with the dark pool. I just wanted to verify that. Let's fucking, it looks good for us, right? That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say on that. Okay, I'll put that back over here. Come on. Come on, stop messing with me. There we go. Okay. You guys have any questions? Okay. Sanjay, get in, get your 10%, and then leave. Yeah. Anything more than 20-30%, man, is just crazy. Like, you're not gonna make any more. It's gonna collapse. Okay, you have to look at it from a millionaire's point of view. Okay, you don't have to do anything. I shouldn't say that. I don't like that word. You got it. I hate that word. You don't have to do anything. Wow, look at that, 8.71. So there's that $42 range, guys. So 43, and then the options, there isn't that many above 43. Just so you're aware of that, okay? And then 38 is where that is that channel, okay? So that's what I'm seeing. I'm just going off the information. Forget about what is it? On the 5 minute, yeah. Yeah, I use the 5 minute chart too, guys. Right? Gives you more of a better read. Like 1 minute charts for like paper trading, really. We're almost at 10%. Okay, at 10, we got a rip now. 10% is a rip. Anything above a 10 is a rip, okay? A push is below 10. That's what I judge it by, just so you know my lingo. So if you're saying to me or whatever, oh man, look at it, it's pushing. Oh yeah, okay, we got a good push happening below. That means anything above 10, and you say, hey man, it's ripping now. I'll know that it's above 10, right? It's going pretty good too. What time is it? Shit. Market's only being open 10 hours. So we're going to crack on the 42. What's GME doing? It should be doing the same thing. Yeah, it is. It's mirroring it. GME's doing the same thing. I kind of have a feeling that this was going to happen. Okay, this tells me something. They're both going to squeeze at the same time, guys. within a day or so. I think within the same day. What we're going to have is a double squeeze, okay? They're going to try to do that because it's going to fuck people up. Because there's a lot of people in both. It's hard to watch two stocks at once and reap your money, okay? I know you might think it's easy. It's not. Especially if you've got like you're doing a 3 selling feature, or some people are even doing more than that. It's hard to do. You got to have multiple screens in front of you, and if you do have that situation, I would get your friend or a family member to sit with you on a tablet, because you remember what I was saying before, you want to sell off of your broker chart, not these other ones, okay? It doesn't matter what this says. It goes off of your broker chart, okay? So whatever broker you're using, TD, Fidelity, whatever, there's fucking like 20, 30 of them, okay? So that's what I'm saying, okay? You can do whatever you want, but I'm just telling you how to make money, okay? And not to lose like a couple, 3-4%. If you want to be very efficient, and that's what I do. I'll get a friend to come hang out with me and just explain what to do. You just push this button. It's pretty simple, right? And what you do is you have, you can do it on your cell phones. You can have a computer. Doesn't really matter. I like to use a hard wire when I'm doing that stuff. Just the way that I was taught, right? To some degree, it's kind of hard when you're traveling doing it, but it depends if you're a travel trader. Like a lot of traders travel around and trade, right? That's what they do. There's a lot of stationary traders, but it depends on where you are, right? But I just wanted to say that if you can get your wife or kid or something and just educate them on it, like what to do, maybe just do a couple test runs, put your figures, your numbers down, what your areas are, and write them down on a piece of paper. Okay, and have them on the table so you're not looking for shit while it's going on, the squeeze. Okay, so because if it's gonna be dropping so fast and going up, you're gonna want to cash in on these points, right? If you miss it in a down pull on a candle, you could be missing like 100-200%, right, on what some of these candles, right? That's a lot of money. So I'm just trying to give you guys a different avenue out there to kind of think ahead. Jamie just passed AMC. What is Bath Beyond doing? Oh, that's BB. I'm like, what the hell? I can't have done that. Crypto's taking a little bit down on some of it. Not much. Air Canada's up 4%. Damn, yeah. There's some money in my bank. Where is that? There it is. Oh, yeah, it did collapse. It's collapsing. BBBY. Bed is down half of what it was in pre-market. Okay. Yeah, 45 would be awesome. I think we're going to hit 43. I think we're going to stay in that range between 40 because of the options. That's the only thing that they're doing this for. I can see it. I've seen it in the past with this stock. You just look at the options and you can see how many options are. There's a channel, right? They've done it. They've been doing it for the last 4 weeks. No, probably about a month. And they keep it in that channel, and they have like a $4 or $5 range, right? And it just, if you look back on the charts, you can see it. Here it goes down pull. So I don't know what the fuck. And plus we have the dark pool, so they can control that, right? So it's kind of screwed up. And I guess payment for order flow got shot down, so that kind of sucks. I wish that the States is the only people that do it, right? So this is so refreshing after the week. Yeah, it is. It's good eye candy, man. It's good eye candy. Hey, Rodney, how you doing, bud? Black Rifle Coffee Pro Joe. But let's have a look. Is it doing? What's it doing? Is it doing something? Bro. Oops, I did that wrong. Too tight. Prodigy? Is that what you're trying to? Black Rifle Coffee Prodigy. Oops. Is that what your Prodigy? Is that what the one? Is that what you're asking about, Rodney? What's up? Good morning. Oh, sorry. Good morning, feeling now since 6 and house since 6 holding. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. I thought you were asking about that stock, man. Or were you? Anyways, brother, it's down 5%. I don't know. I'm gonna pull these two, or no, I'll leave them there for you guys. Fuck it. Oh, there we go. We're back down to that fucking range again, eh? Yeah. Hey, Richard. How you doing, brother? How you doing? Did you check your email this morning, bro? I sent you an email about 1 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. 2 in the morning? Somewhere around there. I've been up all night, pretty much. Yeah. Jury. Good morning, brother. I didn't see you way up there. So it's easier on the bigger screen. Here, what's going on here? Make sure I didn't miss anybody here. You guys all seem to be in a good mood. Puts everybody in a good mood when you're fucking seeing stuff like this, eh? Not bad. Come on, baby. Go back up again. Wow, that BES, that lithium battery company is at 12% again. Good. I can start making some of my friggin' money back on that thing. I'm down about $4 grand. I just got to pull this up, guys. I want to have a look at my stock here. This thing has low volume. I got stung. This is the one that I got stung on when COVID first started. It was $1.50 or something like that. And then I bought it when it was on its way down. I was thinking, oh man, it's going to do a bounce. Never did. Collapsed. So I want to get my money back. Oh, it changed. That was yesterday. Why? Weeble, you suck. Why would you do that to me? It was yesterday. It went up 12. It was locked on yesterday's thing for some reason. I don't know why. GMA 11.50%. Oh, guys, I started vaping again. With all this stress, I had to. I can quit again, but I know you guys are going to get ream me out. What are you doing? What are you doing? It is what it is. It is what it is. I can quit again. I need a couple weeks, man, to relax. I've been like stressing. Oh, I got a little bit of a crypto go here a little bit. Oh man, I was gonna buy when that was at $1.70 too, but I gotta wait. ADA Gردano 3.52% right now. It's up 2.04. It's pretty good. You could make some little bit of money there. So it was down at 180. Wasn't it? I think it was. BlackBerry's up 5%. BlackBerry went down that much? Oh no, that's the American. Yeah, I know what I did. I set. Now I put it on the American instead of having one stock that's Canadian price. Like that was so annoying. So I did change that. I was thinking, holy shit, it was at $15 before, but that's the conversion price. So yeah, it's up 5%. Oh, did you respawn? Oh, okay. Thanks, brother. Thanks. I've been just, like I said, so busy. And I don't set my alarms on. I vape THC. Oh man, that's good. That's good. That's awesome, man. I was blue dreaming. Oh, good, brother. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. That's cool. Blue dream. I love that shit. Oh man. Oh, I just love that stuff. Yeah. Oh, what I was going to say is I don't, the reason why I didn't see the message come up is because I took off all notifications when I reformatted the computer. It's because I was getting pop-ups and you'd always hear that friggin' bling, bloop, bloop when my messages come in, and it's just annoying because There's so many messages because I have, yeah, this going, and then I have my work stuff, and then, oh man, my union, and then, fuck, it just never ends. But, oh, thank you. Thank you, Joshua. Thank you, brother. I'm missing sundial off here. That's right. I'm missing that off here. And then see, canopy. Do you any of you have canopy growth? Like, do I even need to put it on here? Does anybody have it on the, if you guys have it here, I'll put it there for you guys. Yeah, sundial did weird, man. It just sits at that. It goes up to like 70 cents and goes up to 65, 64. 70 cents, 65. It's weird, man. I just, it's weird. It just never does anything, man. It will, though. It has to. There's so many, almost everybody owns sundial that I know of. I think I'm the only one that doesn't. I just already did my thing with the marijuana stocks, guys. A lot of people up here in Canada, about 3 years ago, lost a lot of money. I know a couple of people that lost a couple $100,000 on it. What it was all these little companies popping up. They've kind of, Sundial's bought them all up. But that doesn't help when you own. They pretty much bankrupt, and then they fucking buy the shit up behind the scenes. So, or legitly they'll buy them. Yeah, Sundial is huge, like freaking huge. It's the biggest company in Canada, right? For that type of for like marijuana product, right? Their plan is to be the biggest in the world, and they will accomplish that. I know that for 100%. They will accomplish that. If this thing squeezes, they will accomplish that. Good morning, Wayne. I was gonna say something about Sundial. Yeah, there's little companies and stuff. A lot of people I know one friend that put in like 50 grand. One of my close friends there, and yeah, it collapsed to nothing. And yeah, within like months, they just went poof. All of them did, right? And they were mostly Canadian companies. Actually, the SEC. Well, there's a couple there's a big fraud ring going on around that. They're just hitting the courts now on it. About 3-4 years ago, they were coming up here and selling these marijuana stocks that weren't legit off of the New York Stock Exchange. I've been seeing it sporadically all over the news. The SEC has actually got some people in jail right now for fraud, doing pretty much half a life sentence for it. That stole millions of dollars off Canadians up here over those stocks, selling fake shares and stuff. Because you can't. That's the problem, because your shares you don't have the numbers for them, so you can't back check them. That's the problem, right? Good morning, Michael. How you doing, brother? Double bottom, yeah. We got her here now. We should get a bit of a push off that. We got a little bit of action in here. We got a little bit of volume coming in today. You can see the way the candles are moving. A little bit. It was stagnant the last little while. GME's 13.50, guys. 13.50. We're doing this shit, man, today. 13.50, man. That's a pretty good profit just in the day right there. I know people still do day trade that. I know that for a fact. I personally wouldn't, but because that's when you do that stuff, and then all of a sudden it squeezes. You're like, oh man, I just missed that by a couple hours or a day or whatever. You're like, damn it, I should have kept that. What's going on up here? The hell? Damn, that's bright. Wow. Holy crow. Nothing like getting curb monitor with that white light. Wow. Holy crow. Sorry, guys. Damn, those monitors are bright. That's bright. Holy crow. Wow, my eyes are... I'm seeing white dots everywhere. Wow, that's hilarious as hell. Hilarious as hell. So, what's new, guys? Talk to me. Oh, I should paste her stream on just give me a second. I'm gonna paste her stream on oh no, I put my other channel on hold, actually, on Facebook. I wonder if Twitter's... I don't even know if I have that activated still because of all the stuff that's gone on. I don't even know. Just give me a second, my friends. I should probably do that. Oh, man. Still seeing white dots. Fuck. Oh, that's bright too. Shit. Oh. Couldn't be processed. Well, like, that's my YouTube account. I mean, my Facebook account. No, I'm not doing that today. Too bad, Facebook. You lost some support. Screwing around with that today. Locon, welcome to the channel, my friend. Welcome to the channel, brother. Sister, don't know your handle, man. But welcome to the channel, okay? I do that now because you just can't tell. And if I don't do it... He has more balls than me too, Warren. I would not fuck with that. That's up. Yeah, there's a lot. There is a lot of people going to do that. Okay. Some people are not going to sell all their shares. Some people are going to say take half and flip them. Brother. Okay. I just didn't know. I just want to be respectful, right? Every time I say brother, it's one of the ladies around here saying, "I'm a miss." I was like, oh shit. So now I kind of. But anyways, how you going? Where are you from, bro? Where are you from? But yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy, man, doing that. It's tempting, though, but it's too much stress, I think. But if you got lots of money and it's just like you're doing it for a game, right? Some people do this just like the slots, man. Like the slot machines, right? It's the same thing. It's gambling. It's hardcore gambling. Your odds are... I wouldn't say better on the stock market. On a slot machine or in the casino, once you're done, like once you do your hand, pull your hand or throw your hand or pull the lever, you're done. That's it. You win. Or South Florida, cool, man. Right on. You guys are getting good weather down there, eh? Oh, Mr. L, job offer. I didn't hear anything about... We've had a huge virus outbreak up here, man. Thanks for asking, Mr. L. I haven't heard anything on it. They've asked for virus or passports and all that shit. I haven't got it. I'm not going to get it unless I travel. That's right. Yeah, Con, yeah. You wait, guys. That's there for educational purposes, man. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, man, we're all gonna make a fucking ton of money. Here we go. We're gonna crack 11. Come on, 11%, you bastards. I hope it goes above 43, but that channel, man. I'm just going off of numbers, right? Here we go. Here we hit 40. 11. Wow, come on, baby, go. Go. Don't stop. Fuck. And then I'll go back. Yeah. Fuck. I see what's happening here, the bastards. Fuck, I hope I'm wrong, though. That's true. Yeah, Shamron. Yeah. Cold and wet here in the UK. When do our clocks change? Shit. It automatically does it. It automatically does it. I don't even, maybe it already has. That's funny. I've been so tied up in this, man. For her to get, gets good weather from November to, okay, usually trends from the weather and a couple colds over here, friends here. Oh, okay, cool, man. Hit the like button. Oh, thanks, Dory. Thanks, Dory. Thanks, brother. Thank you, man. Thanks for the love, guys. Yeah, I don't watch the news that much. Well, I haven't lately. So with the clocks turning back, it usually, unless I see a news feed on my phone or something, everything's automated now, right? They just come default on everything now, right? It just changes the time for you. If you're not working, yeah, no kidding, Joshua. Daylight savings on the 7th. Okay, thanks, Mr. Al. Cool. Well, wasn't it the States? Oh, we got that 11. We got over 11. We got over 40. Come on, baby, go. Come on, there's nothing holding you back. What is GME doing? It must be way up there now. Fuck, it must be. It's 20. GME's at 20.5%. I just got an alarm go off on my phone. Holy shit. Fuck yeah. That's going to bring FOMO in, guys. It's up fucking $41. It's up 247, 248. Holy fuck. That's going to bring some FOMO. There's FOMO hitting on GME right now. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. A lot of traders, probably about 20-30% of the traders on the market are jumping in on that right now. You're going to see a huge push happen on GME in probably in the next 15 minutes. But what the problem is those bastards with that fucking dark pool. But we can get so much volume that they can't control it. It can overpower that shit. I know that. I know that for a fact. And that's we're going to have on AMC's going to have a fucking push of hell here. Watch it. 52. It's going higher, man. There you go. Remember I said that. It's going to start coming in. Here comes the FOMO. When that hits $300, they're going to start covering on GME. I hope you guys know that. Fucking rates they are. Here we go. We're at 13%. I gotta go over GME. I gotta have a look at this, man. I want to check the candles. Oh, it's a steady push. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Consolidation since side act. That's perfect. They're not holding this back. They're letting it ride. They're not screwing with this at all, guys. Oh no, it's levitating right now. What's that candle doing? Let's have a look here. Yeah, they're pushing it. You can see the down pull on the candle. Yeah, they're starting to hit it now a bit. Yeah, it's bouncing. It's levitating. So they're screwing with it. The algos. It's gonna have another push here though. But you can see that they're letting it go because that's normal. Consolidation, some side action, straight up side action. That's perfect. You can't have much better than that. Fuck, 3 point. That's a lot of volume for GME. Come on, baby, we need this too. Yeah, we're getting the same shit. Look at that candle. Just bouncing. Look at the numbers on the board there. Yeah, they're screwing with this now. They're pushing it. There's a lot of people buying right now. Look at that fucking market cap just jumping. I don't care about the volume. The volume is just in total sold and bought, right? It's both. But look at the market cap. It's going up quite a bit. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, they're mirroring. Look at GME and AMC. Look at them. If you got a chart in front of you and you got them both here. Oops. I'm unlocking you guys. You gotta unlock. I'm pumped. No, it's all good, dude. I'm pumped too, man. Wait until this thing squeezes. You'll see me dancing in here, man. Because I'll be making millions of dollars just like you guys. BlackBerry's up 8%? 8? What's going on with my screen here? 8%? Oh, it's up 5, 7. Oh, it must have been when you typed that. Oh yeah, it's got a W going on. It's gonna get a push. Definitely, it's gonna get a push off that. So what's happening is all these meme stock. Well, I fucking hate that name, meme stock. But look at Sundial, guys. You got your 2.73 Sundials going up too. Did something happen? Did they get in shit? Oh, BlackBerry, I got it down here, 7.18. Why do I have BlackBerry up here at that? Are you? Who said that? You're Canadian, aren't you? Mr. L, are you from Canada, bud? Because one's a Canadian price. What the fuck is going on with my screen here? Am I tripping? Oh no, it corrected. Sorry, correction. I know you're from the States. I don't know what happened. My screen stalled, and then it put the correct price on it. Wow, sheep's collapsing. Crypto's going down a bit. Yeah, that's crazy, man. All these little stocks are pumping now. They call them ape stocks now, yeah. They're wolf stocks, my friend. Okay, that's beautiful. Beautiful. They're totally the same. Totally the same almost. Fuck, it went over, 43. Come on, we need them a little bit more. No Los Angeles? Okay, brother. I kind of figured where it was. I just, the way you said that, I was seeing a Canadian price on here, and the only way you can see that is if you're from Canada, right? Or if you have it set on the Canadian stuff. But it wasn't. It was my chart was stalling out on me. That's what was happening. And I got to remember to hit that refresh button once in a while here for some reason. Is this thing still playing? Oh, I got to love this data. Oh, you got to love fiber, eh? Fuck yeah. There's no nothing. It's not cutting out or nothing. Good. Cost me enough fucking money. Things are going to start changing. Yo, Glock. I hope so, man. We're all millionaires. You guys know that. Yes, we are. Well, 12%, that's 1,000 shares. That's 100. It's $1,200 on 1,000 shares. It's $1,200. Is that 1,200? 12,000. No, it's 1,200. Steve. How do I see it playing out from here? I think it's going to have its pull back a bit, and then it's going to have another stagnant moment, and then it's going to push. I think that we're going to be pretty much mirroring it. Usually we are in ahead of GME. GME is always behind us in the last 6 months. They're having their go. I don't know. Something's shifted in the market. It's not money coming in from somewhere. Something's happened. Did you guys get any money in the States? It's not the 20th, no tax credit or anything like that come through. Is there any stimulus? You guys are done with stimulus, eh? Here we go. We're at 44 now. Yeah, we're getting a bunch. We're gonna get some people coming in right now. Guaranteed. If that hits over 18%, it'll go to 25 for sure. Yeah, there's money coming in from somewhere. Did it? Something happened. Good morning, B-Ghost. Yeah, definitely. FOMO's going to help us right now. This is exactly what will kick the squeeze, guys. You know that, right? We need to get a bunch of traders in here and fucking overpower this algo over the dark pool. So once that dark pool, they can't control, and a lot of people are buying direct now, right? A lot of people are. So what's going to happen is it's over going to What's gonna happen? Oh, hey, Tess, how you doing, brother? I know it's weird seeing me on live again, eh? Oh man, the stress I felt. I think it was more stressful for me than you guys. You guys, oh well, he's not on today. Yeah, because I feel like I let so many people down, man. It just really upsets me. Well, are we pushing 5 per share, or are we selling at 5? I don't know, brother. Or I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to see how fast it's climbing and what's going on. I definitely got to see what it's doing in the middle of the squeeze to see what I'm gonna do. If we're getting some pullback, I'm gonna be watching the news. It's gonna when Vanguard and BlackRock dump, it's gonna really hurt us. Mostly that's gonna happen in the after hours, but it's still gonna have a pull down. They own a lot of friggin' shares now, a lot. Okay, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. We're gonna have big down pulls from that. It won't stop the squeeze. It won't. Once it goes, it goes. They still have to cover their short positions, right? But there's a lot of people own this shit now, right? But I have my targets, and I pretty much I might even sell myself short a bit, but I don't care because I'll already be a millionaire, right? I don't need that much to become a multimillionaire, right? I'm already set up, right? I have my goals on things. This isn't my only play in life, right? I just need a little bit to get more, right? It doesn't. I have other things other pokers in the fire. Oh, shit. That's up to you. Whatever you guys do is up to you. Oh, yeah. I haven't got... Dude, I've left so many frigging calls for that somebody call me back. And I haven't heard anything. Did you, Con? It's all, yeah. That's up to you guys what you sell it, and don't let anybody tell you different, okay? You can sell whatever you want. You can sell today if you want and make money, right? If you have $500,000-$600 in shares, and you've already, you bought it at like $3 or $4, well, fuck, you got a lot of money sitting there. You got multi-millions of dollars sitting there, right? That's up to you guys, right? I'm not that person to tell you not to. And there's nobody who's going to call you anything on this channel because we don't roll like that, man. Right? That's up to you guys what you do, right? I'm not, like, I will never tell you guys to sell. I'll never tell you guys to hold, right? That's not my job. It's not my money, right? Like, nobody ever tells me what to do with my stuff, right? I'm already successful in my life, right? It's on how you hold yourself, right? You believe in something and it will happen. It's all about positive energy and what you put out. I've talked about this before. I've proven it hundreds and hundreds of times that it happens that way, right? And you guys that have done things like that just do a little game with it, a test with yourself. Set it up like that and see what happens. Just do some things in life. Just over the next month, set some goals, okay? And keep on thinking that you're already rich. Something like that, and just keep on doing it for a month. You'll be messaging me. You'll be tripping your ass out. Okay. Oh, the walkie-talkies. He did. That's right, Gloria. That's right. I got it in at $8 too, my friend Joshua, and 14. February? Oh, okay, we got a bunch of messages coming in. Sorry, guys. Let's make sure. I'm not used to this fast feed here, man. It's really way different. I'm usually waiting, everything comes in slow because of our speed, right? I'm in the 20th century. Cam, you think the most... It's going to definitely be in the new year. It's going to definitely be in the new year. It won't be this year. As you know, I'm going to take that with a grain of salt because nobody knows. But I can't see anything happening this year. I just can't. You have to remember, I've been in since the beginning here, guys. Right? Right? Almost the very beginning. The November, December was the actual beginning. And then in February, it started... it was getting FOMO and news and coverage through the world. It was getting FOMO. People want to be part of this. Then it was called the movement. Okay, I've been through the whole thing. I know all the names have changed. I've been part of the whole thing. I know it's changed to this thing, and there's over about, I've counted up, over 75 things have happened since this started to do with SEC, the rules changing. People setting up scam funds on YouTube. I mean, off of YouTube, Facebook, all these movements that never happened. Ape Fest. I counted it all up. There's so much crap. It all off the table. It means nothing. Okay, what the bottom line is what you believe in. Okay. Hey, Michael, what's up? So yeah, like trust me, it works like that, guys. It works like that. Or are you taking a... Oh, good. Oh, Con. Okay, I didn't... Okay, cool. I just wanted to buy a house. Oh, you will. You'll probably be able to do that, man. Dude, you want to talk about in Canada? Vancouver's the most expensive in the world to buy anything. It's really overpriced here, man. Like, my house went up. Fuck. Oh, Jerry, we're this is done. This is a done game, guys. Like, it's a waiting game now, okay? Like I said, don't get greedy on the numbers. That's all I got to put out there. I'll be very transparent. I will be selling live. None of this is going to change, right? So GameStop had a bit of a pullback on it a bit, but it doesn't matter. This is going to hit the news tonight, guys. Tomorrow will be an interesting day. I think Friday will be a bit of a stagnant day, but tomorrow is going to be what is it today? I fucking lost track of my day. Oh, it's Wednesday. Yeah, tomorrow I think should be a good day. Not bad. Today's that's what scares me. We're waiting for the new year. Hope at it. Oh, I know. Trust me, it's on my mind too. 25. Yeah, fuck. That's quite a bit of shares though. If it's in his squeeze and he dumps that, we'll eat those up. Okay. But he's a fucking asshole though. He'll dump them all at once. Like he's just so for himself, right? But it is what it is. He won't crush it like he did with the 70 million shares. Yeah, Sanjay. Yeah, that's funny. I noticed those YouTubers that have been putting those numbers out there, $800,000 it's going to. Yeah, they haven't been saying that stuff yet. Hey, Aaron, how you doing, brother? How you doing, my friend? But yeah, those guys pissed a lot of people off. I've heard a lot of other tubers talking about those couple 4 or 5 YouTubers that kept on putting those fake numbers out there. They've lost a lot of followers, man. People don't want to hear that shit, man. Saying all these fucking numbers. Oh yeah, it's gonna squeeze tomorrow. It's gonna squeeze this week. It's gonna squeeze this week. It's gonna squeeze this week. Yeah. Like fuck off, man. Like fuck. Shut your channel down and go fucking take some schooling. Let Warrior Trading fucking train you for a couple months. Fucking stupid, man. They don't even know what they're doing. They've never traded. I bet you they don't even own shares. I've never seen those people have stock screeners up and going through their stocks and actually talking about the stuff, right? Not that I know everything. I don't. I know far from everything. I know how to lose money on the stock market. right? Everybody does. But yeah, you just learn as you go, right? I do recommend taking a class from Warrior Trading, though. Okay, I seriously do. Just take the fucking. He has a couple test pilot programs up. You'll learn a lot on it, man. They're free. Say, can't pronounce your name, bro. Anyways, welcome to the channel. I'm gonna call you Say. Yeah. Anyways, I'll stop fucking with your name. Anyways, how you doing, bro? I know the worst ones are the. I know. Oh fuck. Oh, Jerry, if it went, that's $10 million, man. If it went to that in my account. RE test, there's nothing wrong with that, bro. There's nothing wrong with that. I support you guys for whatever you did. I told you if you sold today, I would still support you. And nobody on this channel will call you down. I'll make sure of that because everybody's in different areas. It takes different people. Whoa. They just had a glitch on the screen. Did you fucking see that? I got that recorded. The volume just jumped up to 100 fucking million and went back down to 35. Did you guys just see that glitch on the screen? Holy shit. I got that recorded. That's live on YouTube. Cool. We just had a glitch on AMC. Did you see that? It was at 100 million shares and it went from 35 million to 100 million and something and then went back to 35 within a second. Did you guys catch that at all? $50K. But yeah, guys, like I said, like it's like whatever you sell, those shares are gonna get bought up, right? You don't need to worry about crushing the movement. It's not. There's so many people that day trade this. It's so unreal. You can't even fathom it. It's just, it is what it is, right? There's so many people, and this is so oversold that it won't do nothing. Did you see that glitch on the screen though? Did anybody see that or just me? What time is it? I'm gonna play that back. How far am I in my video? Can somebody look on the screen here? I will. I'll find out how many minutes am I in? Shit. It doesn't tell me. It doesn't tell me. Hey Lloyd, how you doing, brother? Welcome to the channel, my friend. Do I think it'll drop back to 35? No. 36, 37, maybe. Not 35. I can't see it. I don't take my word on it. If you're doing fucking putting a put on it or something or an don't take my word on that, my friend. Okay, if you're using that knowledge that off of me, picking my brain to do that, don't even bother, man. Okay, I don't want to mislead you on that. I'm not throwing that out there to. It's not. I didn't. It just did it again. It just fucking did it again. That was crazy. I saw it. You seen that, Richard? You seen that? Okay, dude, they're having a conflict. See, that's the dark pool fucking with the volume. That's the true readings coming through. I know it is. Fuck. And that's recorded, man. I can't wait to play that back later tonight. You didn't see the glitch, Sanjay? I'm going to play it back. I know what time it was. It was 7:23. 1,000, Aaron? There you go, brother. That's, see, $1,000 shit there. It's $1 million. I can turn that $1 million into about 10 million, 8 million, probably in the first year and a half. Yes, I am, Sanjay. I'm vaping. You caught me. If the synthetics are true, it definitely can't. Okay, sorry, come on, okay. The synthetics are true. We've proven that multiple times on this channel alone. Missed the glitch game. Richard's seen it. It was, oh dude, it was like not even a half a, it was so fast. It was like a blink of an eye. I don't even know. It was like I just seen a 1 in front of the 3, and I don't know if it was the other numbers behind it because it was that fast. It was like, I don't know, maybe the number changed. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I've never seen that before. I saw the glitch. Yes, it went to 100 million. Yes. Yes, that's exactly what I saw. It went boom, boom, and then just changed back. Yes. So see, the three people have seen it. And that's, don't worry. We've seen that multiple times. Am I smoking? No, I'm not. I seen the glitch. No, I'm not. I can't, dude. I can't because of my piss test, right? I can't because of my urinalysis for, even though we've had an outbreak here again. Oh, yeah, that's what I was talking about when I sidetracked. I pulled a Lou. I pulled a Lou versus Wall Street here. Or no, Lou on the money, whatever he's calling himself this week. Yeah, I pulled him. Yeah, 160. The most I've seen is 700 mil. That was back in January. I could, Jerry. I could put a YouTube short on it. I've done a lot of those videos, actually. I caught the MVIS. We caught a huge ladder attack. One of the very first ladder attacks that was recorded live on YouTube, an actual full-out ladder attack, man. It took the whole fucking stock down like $10 in like, it was just within, I think it was a minute. I've never seen a stock drop like that before. I put it live, the video, and I had 2,000 hits on it in like 10 minutes. The thing went fucking crazy, man. I think it was one of my biggest I didn't even put it out there like that. It just took off. Somebody posted it on Twitter and it went crazy. No, I didn't see that, Lloyd. But back to sorry, I was going to answer your question back on the top there. I forget who that. About $35. I can see it going down close to that, but not all the way, not that low, right? But I can see it going down because I've done a lot of research and I'm constantly doing it. I picked up a trend, and you guys have probably seen it too because I always talk about it. They have run out of avenue to make money. Okay, like I said, over 70 things have changed with GME and AMC. I don't know about the rest because they usually follow. These are the catalysts for all of it. You guys, if you guys don't know that, it's true, right? They've run out of avenues with ETFs. They've run out of every avenue to make money. Okay, synthetic, just everything. Okay, there's no money in synthetics anymore. Okay, they're floating around. Yes, they're making them, but they've caught on to that. It's not the hedge funds will make money on the synthetics. It's the banks and shit, but it's gonna bite them in the ass. Hey Cap, how you doing, bro? So what I was gonna say is it's that channel. Okay, I don't know that much, and I don't like really speaking about stuff I don't know that much about because I don't watch GME as much as I do AMC. But AMC, it goes in channels for a couple days, a week, roughly. Okay, and then it'll change, and then it'll go into something else, and it will usually hold within a $5, $6 range, in that range. Sometimes tighter with a $3 range, depends, right? And that is all controlled with a floodgate off of the dark pool. Okay, but I know for a fact that we can overpower that, because it's only a couple handfuls of people and a couple programs that are doing that. Okay, once we get so much volume in, what it's gonna do is gonna fucking overpower the floodgate. It's the same as a dam. Just look at it like a dam with the floodgates. Okay, they're wide open, rainfall coming, snow melts coming, right? Just think of the mountains or whatever. I'm thinking up here because we have hydro dams all over the place. Okay, they have an emergency run, okay, on the side, so the dam doesn't blow over, so it doesn't blow over the top of the dam. Floodgates are all open, snow's melting, now it's up really high, it's just starting to trickle over the floodgate. Okay, they get a fucking monsoon come through here. Well, now they got real problems. Okay, they got mud and shit coming in, backs up the floodgate, now it overflows over the top. Think about that like the stock market, the amount of volume coming in. It'll mess up everything. Their computer programs will overload with this dark pool shit, holding shares. It'll just overload the system, okay? And we can do it. We've done it before, okay? And what will happen is the stock will just go cook, and then FOMO, and it will start kicking in, and boom, and it will just go crazy, and it'll overpower them. I said that before, and I stick behind my word on this. By them fighting us with the algo, I know how an algorithm works. It works off vibrations, okay, and that's exactly how it works, okay. There's a pull. There's two different pulls on it, okay, which makes it vibrate. You can have a positive pull, right? And then a negative pull down really hard and starting to pull it down. But you can get a fucking so strong of a pull up that it can reverse and cause a reverse action, okay? That the negative pull turns into like a turbine, and it kicks that algo into a positive. It upswings it and goes up like this. The down pull goes like this, okay? I know what I'm talking about. What will happen is their negative pull will turn to positive, okay? It'll get an up pull, and it'll fucking go straight to the moon, okay? And it's out of their control. They're fucked, okay? They can't stop it. So that's what I'm going to say. That their down pull can actually get some tailwind and kick up the other way. The algorithm will just catch the wrong vibes, and it'll fucking go to the moon, okay? Seen it before. But not to this degree, not with the dark pool shit. But I know that we can overpower it. So that's my take on that. I know it's kind of far-fetched out there, but as you guys know, I know a lot about algorithm vibrations because I've fucking studied it before. Just with my simulator and shit. I don't know everything on it because I'm not a programmer to the max. Like, I'm not a coder. I would love to team up with a coder and talk about my knowledge, and just to find somebody that codes to that. They're pretty much secret. Okay, you really don't talk about that shit that much. It's kind of like the quiet club, right? But yeah, but what I was talking about is property has gone through the roof too. I'm just trying to cover a couple topics that have come up on there, and I diverted off there because something came up on the screen. But I want to talk about that. So, and property has gone up. My place has gone up about $200,000 in the last 8 months. So, you want to talk about property going up? Is it worth it? Fuck no. So yeah, I'm worth. Yeah, fuck. It's just crazy. Like, but it's a catch-22. To sell now, what do? Right? To buy, you would lose money because you got to move, retail costs, taxes, entry costs, on and on and on. Even if your house is outright, like mine's paid out, it's still not worth it, right? So, and I would never move into a house anyways. It's not worth it. Not for what I do. I'm too busy in life. I can't do yard work and shit, right? I'd rather my strata piece pay for everything. It's the best system I've ever heard of. I know people think it's expensive. It is what it is, right? Not for me, because I can concentrate on my life. I don't need to go, oh shit, I got to cut the lawn. I got to prune the tree. I got to clean these troughs. I got to do all this stuff. So yeah, guys. Looks like flood happening right now about... So, didn't like it. Ha! Yeah, that's what I was saying, guys. That's what I'm saying. Look at GME to had a pullback. That's exactly what I'm saying. They'll stop it. That's where you got to look at the options. That's why I did it this morning for you guys. I went to Stocks Era. Just forget about that other. What the fuck is what everybody used? It just sucks, man. Stocks Era. I've given you guys. Cook. Hey, brother, how you doing? Yeah, not a problem, mate. You have a good day too, brother. Welcome to the channel. So, but yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. We came across, I don't take credit for that shit, man. Like that was all of us doing that. There's a bunch of us were talking about it. You guys help and find the options chart when I can't get a hold of it, and you guys tell me what the options are. I looked on the chart, and you can totally... Oh, no. Fuck. Oh, my fucking internet went down again, man. What the fuck? I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. What the fuck? Oh my god, guys. I swear there's somebody fucking with my shit trying to hack my fucking computer and shit, man. What the fuck? I got over a gig of data right now going through here. Yeah, there's something weird going on here, guys. I swear somebody doesn't like what we're talking about. And I'm being fucking paranoid. I know you're good. But no, dude, this is way weird. Like, so fucked up. It's not even funny. Yeah, dude, but that's not cool, man, because I see my dad is like fucking, I got a 1 gig data transfer, guys. 1 fucking gig. You could run a whole fucking Citadel off here. Like, stock screeners take nothing to burn. I'm only on 1080p. Like, that's at 30 frames per minute. Wow. That's bullshit. And I got a crystal clear image here. Yeah, dude, I fucking swear somebody's trying to hack this channel. No, I'm on Telus, man. Shaw, it's good for some things, my friend. Telus is, because I've done Android boxes and I know a lot about this shit. Telus is easier to get, like, for distance for their Shaw has shitty routers, okay? I know that for a fact because of Android boxes and shit. Yeah, no kidding. No, it's Shammer, no, it's what it is Telus. I'm on the direct line. I'm on the I'm right closest to the control panels, like for the building is right down here. And I have software to tell if anybody's on my line, right? I got it. I got everything like that, dude. I'm the wrong person to piggyback your line. I'll go right through the wall. This wall will go right through the next suite. It's only 2 pieces of gyprock if I see somebody do that. Because I don't put up with theft is one thing that I don't highly care for. But yeah, dude, I'm just checking my signal rate. Oh fuck, we've already transferred over 3 billion packets since we fucking. Wow, holy shit! I'm connected to IP4V and IPv6 contact. I got 2 different connections. I got 2 different lines. And my speed's 1 gig right now of data transfer. So yeah, I can tell. I got a program here now that I can tell if anybody's piggybacking my. You can't get in. There's no fucking way, man. Okay, guys. So I don't know what that is, and it would pop up intruder anyways if somebody's on the line, and I'm hardwired, right? And there's no way to jump it because you'd have to go through conduit pipe, and I would hear you drilling through the wall anyways, right? And yes, people do that shit all the time. Oh, I know, Tess. Oh, trust me. I think you guys know that I'm probably the wrong person to steal off of, right? I don't care for that stuff, man. Right? I work very hard for my money. And so do you guys, right? That's why. Oh, Shamran, throttling. I have software that tells me. That's awesome. They do. They throttle your connection. It happens. I know that. I have actual through the VPN. That one VPN. Pure, whatever. VPN, pure VPN. Yeah, it has a throttling connection on it, and you can tell if they're throttling it. Yeah, guys. I know. That's yeah. That's what I said. That's what I was already told. That's what I was talking about. I hate saying. I'm not going to say I'm right. Because I fucking hate that. I don't like it when people say that, right? We were right. Okay, I don't take credit for that shit, man. But yeah, I already looked on the chart. It's gonna have a pull back to 38. Okay, the lowest, and then it'll go back up. Okay, it'll be stuck in that channel, guys. It's been doing this for the last month. It's the only way left that they're making money now, right? Look at GME's gone down 50%, over 50%, 55% right now. Just dropped 55% in the last half an hour. No, 40 minutes, no, half an hour. Yeah, half an hour. So it shouldn't go much lower. Maybe another dollar. $2 or no, oh yeah, it's at 200, another $5, and then it'll stay in that channel, right? They made a lot of good money off that push, guys. Fuck yeah. And that's not people selling. Look at that candle bounce. See it? See how it's just levitating like that? They're fucking with it. They're totally screwing with it. You can see the vibrations on the candle. That's not normal, man. It's not normal shit. All right, you guys have been watching this channel long enough to know that. You guys watch how I do shit. But yeah, and trust me, I want this to go. Oh, fuck, Cap. Hard. We just caught them manipulating it. Yeah, dude, you're smart too, Cap. And there's a handful of you that are on really smart on here. It is, yeah, no doubt, Tess. No, they're screwing with us, 100%, 100%, my friends. That's why when we need that volume, right? And we can do this, like we can, but we need a substantial amount. Yeah, they're manipulating it right now. I can see the way the candle's bouncing. That's not normal. Look at the numbers. Look at them. They're both AMC and GME are doing the same thing. Look how fast those numbers. That's not fucking normal. But that's why you guys with options and stuff. I just gotta say this because I had a message. Some guy made a couple $100,000 off of what I was saying on live stream here. It's one of the guys that come on here regularly. I just will not mention the name. He asked me not to, and that's up to him. It's one of our friends, right? But he doesn't want me to because he plays the market a little bit different than we do, and he sells and buys. Okay, the stuff that I don't have the balls to do. And he caught that the way that I talk about the channels, and what he did was I asked him if I could I was going to tell you guys the other day about this, but then I had all this shit go down. I'll tell you the gist of it, but because I'm the one that I'm the one that noticed this, and it's my doing about that channel. He put an options in on the high, not in the center, the high end and the low end. He watched it for a couple hours, an hour each way, an hour on the top end to see where it cracked off of. He put a trend line on the top, exactly what I did. That was about a week ago, when I'm like, look at this fucking shit. It would hit the line and go down, hit the other line and go down, hit the line, and it was doing this constantly, and it's still doing it. It's just that it's a little bit more violent now, that's all. He put his options on there, made a fucking killing on it. He's out now. He doesn't do it anymore, but because he screwed himself at the end doing it, and that's why I came on here, and that's when that person asked me, but what if it's going to go to 35? And I said, you better not be putting options on that, because I don't want the responsibility for that, and if you're doing that, you're going to lose your money, right? And that's not the person. But because I don't want you going off of what I'm saying, because I never did any actual, I'm just doing an estimate. Okay, and I don't do options. You guys know that. I'd probably be pretty good at it now, but back, yeah, I don't know. I just don't have the balls to do it. Because I put 5 and 10 G in at a time, right? You guys know me, right? And that's too much. Like, I can't put a couple $100s in. I just don't roll it. Oh, it just glitched again. Holy fuck. Did you just see that? It just did it again. It went to 150 million. Holy fuck. Dude. Holy fuck. Play it back now. Whoever has, play back 30 seconds, 45 seconds, man. You'll see that glitch on the TV screen, guys. Look, I'm not bullshitting you, man. Holy fuck. Because I was looking right at the screen there, looking at, it went to 150 million, man. they're fucking with this hard, man. Sorry for swearing, guys. I gotta watch that. I'm sorry. Holy shit. Wow. Fuck. I wish I was on good drugs. See, if I was stoned right now, I would have been definitely questioning myself. Yeah, AMC, brother. Yeah. Yeah. It's the volume I'm looking at, man. I don't know about anything else on the screen. It was the volume that I was looking at because I was looking at it because I was talking about that. Nothing else changed. Just the volume. The market cap never went up. Nothing else changed. The volume went chink chink. Like it was just. That's going to be on you. It's going to be there. Are people making. We're not the only ones that seen that. Guaranteed. There's people that fucking watch this shit like a hawk. But we have it all recorded. That's the cool thing. You seen that too, Cap? Did you play it back and seen it? Kat, the reason... No, don't apologize, Kat. You're one of our first ladies on this channel. It's all good. You saw it too? So what we're seeing is the volume on AMC, I don't know about any other stocks, is glitching. The volume just jumped to 150 million, and then for a split second, as much as you could flick your eyes. You can play it back and see it on my video. Like if you go back, I know for a fact. Yeah. Oh, it went higher than that? No, okay. Because I only seen it at that because of blink of an eye. I just seen a 1 and a 5. I don't know how many zeros were behind it, but it did. It went like this. So that's a good sign, guys. So that's what the actual volume is then. That would be the highest traded stock in the world. But, anyways, Kat, sorry, I'm diverting off here. You were in the middle of it. We just jumped in the middle of that. So, wow, we got that recorded. I can't wait to fucking... I didn't even blink. Wasn't that great? Guys, I know that, like, it wouldn't, hey, if it was just me, I know you guys wouldn't be like, oh yeah, can't we see it? You guys, I'm very truthful with shit like that, man. I'd never manipulate anything because I have nothing to gain on it, right? And I don't know why it's doing that. But I've just never had that much volume ever on the stock. It could be. Fuck, it could be. It could be. You never know. But that's to do with Webull, right? Webull controls this platform. That has nothing to do with anything else. It went from 40. It was a blink of an eye. I don't know. Yeah, maybe it did, man. Oh, Kat's a witness, guys. That's weird that Kat came on the channel. Kat, remember when you were watching that video with when I was filming the video on MVIS? Remember you were on there talking to me, and all of a sudden we seen the biggest ladder attack, and I made a video on it that night. Remember when we were watching it? It was I forget the price. I think $14, and it went down like $7. It fucking remember in like 1 minute, and we were like, holy shit! It was the candle was just bouncing like this. You remember that, Kat? That was probably, what, 8 months ago? Oh, yeah. So, anyways, Kat, what I want to talk to you about, looks like reason why. No, I don't. The reason why is just what I'm assuming. This is just off of my, my fucking thought pattern is a little bit different than most, right? We all know that. I just have a calculating mind when it comes to shit. So, which is bad in some areas. It gets me into trouble, especially with like certain stuff. Not with the market and stuff like that. It's good, but just things in general, like with jobs or just with me operating machinery. I have a calculating mind, and sometimes not that it goes in my favor. It's just that people don't want to hear that, right? You do remember, yes. Okay, good. Remember that. Yeah, I remember that, Kat. Yeah, I was just telling them about that. And that's weird that you came on the channel because you usually just pop in. But, so it's options expiring. They're running out of ways to make money, okay, on this. And now we're down to that low area again, and it's going to go back up again. It might go to 39.50, and then it'll go back up. Fuck, I should have put trend lines on there. If you look at the options chart, Kat, on AMC, I don't know, I'm not speaking for any other stocks, but I'm pretty sure that GME, they're all doing it. Well, no, I'm not going to say that. GME's doing it, AMC is. I don't know that much about what trend GME is in because I don't watch it every day. I can't speak for the other stocks because I will not do that and will not mislead people. But I'm seeing this channel. I've been seeing it over the last month. They'll pick a lot and it'll go in between the $4 range, and it does that. This just happens to be an upper edge one, right? Changes every week, but that it'll hold the full week in between a $4 range. So that's the only thing I can think of because I haven't seen anything on it. But you guys would know more about that than me. I have not watched one. No, I'm lying. I watched 10 YouTube videos this morning, and it wasn't on stock market stuff. It was on RC cars with nitromethane turbos on them. I'm into that kind of stuff. And I have a couple creator channels that I watch. Guys that on motors and souping up things. I'm a gearhead, kind of like that, right? I just like really cool shit like that. Like putting a jet pack on the go-karts. Like weird stuff, right? But yeah, I don't follow that many YouTube channels anymore. I've gotten it, just all of it's bullshit. I am too. No, I'm just joking. But no, I just don't. It's the same stuff, right? I just can't watch something 5 times in a row, the same stuff, guys. Same as I know you guys can respect that. That's why I don't do videos in the daytime anymore, right? Not that I had any bad comments on it. It's just that there's a handful of us. There's probably about 5 or 6 YouTubers that are doing the same thing. I was one of the first to shut it down that way. And then the old guy. What's the old guy's name? What's the old cat guy name? What's the old guy? My grandpa. What's grandpa's name? I love the guy. Plays golf. Ingrid? No. Oh, I got a totally brain dead. Who's my grandpa's name? The guy that plays golf out of Dakota. No, where the fuck is he from? What's grandpa's name? And I don't mean that in any disrespect. I don't mean that in any disrespect there, my friend, because he watches our channel. He's one of our higher subs. He's subbed to our channel. I was one of his first subs to his channel when he had like a couple hundred subs. Jet powered chainsaws. Dude, oh man, I was going to put it on the channel behind me, but I would ask for permission from the people first. Because a lot of it's copyrighted. My shit isn't, but yeah. So anyways, damn it. I can't think of his name. Jay. Thank you. It's Jay. Grandpa. And I don't mean that in disrespect because he looks like my grandpa. I had a grandpa the same. Cool like him, man. I know, Chris. I know. I already got called out on that. Jay Ingram. That's it. Yes, he's fucking awesome. If you guys can... Oh, no, I don't know if you can see if he... I can see who's subbed to my channel. Jay Ingram. You nailed it. Thank you, guys. He's been following him. He only subs to 2 different channels. Mine and Lou's. I know that he said that live. So, I think it's because... I'll leave that alone. I don't want to speculate. I know why he only does, right? But I'll let that for him to decide or to talk about. I don't want to talk about that stuff, right? But yeah, he's a lot like me. He's a math. He was an ex-math teacher, okay, and a lot of other things. But yeah, he's a mathematical genius. That guy. Do a background check on him. Run his name on the internet. You'll be fucking blown away. He's a mad scientist with numbers, man. So yeah, he did the same thing with the channel, right? It's because it's like, yeah, he would make stuff every day, but it's not, he's diverting off of what he does. Like for his cats, he loves his cats, right? He should actually make a channel on that stuff too, right? But I know I've seen some bad comments come up and people trying to tear a strip off him. Ha! Right on. Yeah. There's a lot of people that only sub to the both of us. Oh, sometimes yeah. Yeah, I watched him a couple times, but I don't. I'm not gonna say it is what it is. Yeah, you guys. I'm not. I don't tell you guys to do whatever you want, right? But yeah. Anyways, is Lou a good follow? Oh, Shamron. We're uh I I don't care if I say that. Yeah, he's a little bit different, same as I am. Like he's a different creator. He diverts like I do. He has a it's a called a calculating mind, my friends. It's when you talk when been talking about something and then you spin off. It's because you got so many thoughts going through your head, and especially if you have a lot of stories or a lot of knowledge in your head stored, other stuff will override it and you'll forget. That's yeah. So yeah, you're just gonna. He's hard to understand if your street, if you've been on like not live on the street. I'm not talking about that, but if your street's smart, like if you have that different type of lifestyle where it's called the grind of life. I'm not saying living on the street. I'm not saying poor or anything like that. I'm just saying raised different. If you're raised like by bikers or somebody like that from the one percenter club, right? Like that kind of life, or were you raised like out of a I'm not going to say a church because that's not the right way to do it if you're raised, but or were you sheltered? Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Or have you experienced life? Have you ever had to go and make your own money with different plays and stuff like that? You understand his stuff. So yeah, and I don't have time for that stuff. Yeah, tests. Yeah, yeah. Everybody has their own spin on creating, right? If we were all the same, it would be different. There's a lot of people that don't like me, right? Um, I've had some fucking weird comments, just weird shit, man. On my not on the wall that much. Um, it just it is what it is, right? Like there's people that go around and just fucking internet trolls, I guess they call them, right? That's what I guess you call them, right? I call them pieces of shit, but whatever you want to call them, they just go around and fucking put on people's walls and just fucking start shit and just call them down on this, call them down on that. But it's not. The people are telling the truth. You can know they are, and it's just it's. I don't know if it's jealousy. I don't know what it is. I don't know what drives people like that. I just I don't know because I've never been like that, right? I just they're creators. They're creating stuff for people. They're trying to make people think different ways, right? Everybody doesn't think the same way. But yeah, and that's why I've had a lot of feedback from Lou's channel that they can't understand is what he talks about or if he's telling the truth and all that stuff, and that's for him, only him, right? But to understand him, you gotta he won't go around beat around the bush, but I can understand 90% of what he's talking. It's just because the way, if you understand the lingo, he's old school, right? So a younger generation might not catch his plays. You know what I'm saying? That's all. Oh, I'm a hand talker. Yeah. Right on, guys. But yeah, it is what it is. Oh, it doesn't bother me if somebody says bad shit about me, man. At all. It doesn't bother me because I never made the channel for them, right? This, like you guys know, this channel was not supposed to be like this at all. Like I said, there was only like 20 people on it, and it was only a group of friends, right? That's what we were using this is to broadcast around to a couple of people around the world that I know, to kind of corner the market into what trades we were trading, and to be able to feed off to each other. Not pump and dumps, because that's illegal, but just to educate ourselves instead of off of Facebook. This is recorded live, so we could go back on our data, and then all of a sudden, within 2 days, I had 200 subs, right? It was like, holy shit. And I was going to lock the channel down because it wasn't supposed to be like that. But then there's no way to lock it down. You can't just lock it down. And then I'm like, oh, fuck. And then I met some cool people on here, and I'm like, oh, fuck, whatever. And then all of a sudden, more cool people came in, and then it was like, wow, man. And then it is what it is, right? So, yeah, it's crazy. But you guys made it to what it is, right? All it was like I said, like 20 friends talking and family members. Most of my family members from all corners of the world, right? One of my buddies, Filipino, he was on here because it's hard to get stuff in his country, right? So, brownies. Cap, you're hilarious. Yeah, Richard, I'm looking forward to ripping up another chat with you, bro. I had a good chat there before. I'm looking forward to it. I was thinking about you the other day, man. Actually, this morning too. See, that stuff gets going through my head because that's what was really bothering me with the channel being down. Oh, Cam, any thoughts on the squeeze? Have you talked about this? Yeah, I have. I'm asked every day, every 15 minutes. It's all good though. No, maybe not, but every hour. I think when's Thanksgiving? Hang on, I'm not one with dates and shit like that. You guys know me, man. I don't even know what the fucking calendar is on this thing. That's right here. I don't know. Yeah, how's that? It's my birthday pretty soon. Holy shit, I'm getting old. I'll be 45 years old. Thanksgiving, this is my go-to channel, but when Cam shuts down, I go to watch Tony. Right on. Yeah, I don't mind Tony. He's all right. So, yeah, I'm thinking in the new year, right? And like I said, take this with a grain of friggin' salt. That's me saying that. I don't really know, okay? Nobody on the frigging planet knows. Not one of us know, okay? Because we did before, we had a gist of it, but so much shit came up. We don't know what the other side's doing, okay? We play by the rules, okay? To some degree, we have to, because we can't manipulate the market because there's not enough of us, and we're not all in sync together. That we're too many different personalities, and we're not into criminal shit. Okay, so what was I gonna say? See, I pulled a Lou. There you go. There's a Lou for you. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, because there's so many contributing factors involved in it, and some of the stuff we don't even know. Okay, like they're doing shit to the market we don't know. They're who knows? They could update the algo fucking patterns. Okay, they do that shit. Maybe it's up for an upgrade, and they put a new program. Maybe Windows 11 is going to be operating. It's Linux that runs it, actually, I think. But I'm almost 100% positive it's a Linux program that runs it. But maybe they might upgrade the algos and chain them all, right? That will fuck up everything, right? That's what they need to do. So there's so many contributing factors into it that it's hard to put a date on it. But I think that they're so fucking in far debt right now that if they let it go to next year, we do have some bad things for next year, though, if they do that. I'm worried about Aaron. That's my big concern. I'm not trying to fearmonger you guys, but it's just reality. That's a factual problem. And I just wanted to be very open and honest on that with you as much as I can. I'm thinking about end of January, middle of January, and because of the tax breaks. Okay, if they do it this year, it's everybody's paying for it. Next year they can call capital gains loss. Okay, so the hedge funds need that. So that's just my take on it. Right, that's just my take. Right, and I don't know that much about your guys' tax system down in the States. I'm just going off of what up here, and I'm just going off of what I would do if I was a billionaire or even a multi-100 million or whatever the fuck it, whatever. If I had way more money than I have now, put it that way, and I was paying taxes like the highest tax bracket in the fucking country, which they are in, I'd be thinking about that. Okay, so I'm trying to put myself in there. That's what you got to do. You got to think totally different than you do now. You got to put yourself in their shoes and try to think of to some degree, because you can't be that crooked, right? It's kind of hard to think because you don't even know how to be that crooked. But you got to think about how much taxes they're going to be on a loss end, not on the winning end, the loss end. Yes, Richard, I am too. I'm worried about that too, my friend. It's only 25 million, but he keeps on pulling these out of his ass, these shares, right? I watched the video again. Actually, I did watch a video. I wanted to fact check myself. So what I did was I watched that video of Trey's trades, and I haven't watched a video of his in probably 8-7 months. There's reasons why I will not talk about it on here, just because. Right, I know a lot of you follow him, but I'm not into that. I'm not trying to divert you, or I just don't want to talk about that. That he said that he said on one of his feeds, podcast there, trades, the one that he had no pants on. And the fucking camera fell over and all that stuff. So that one, he said that he said, "Oh, I don't lie to you guys, I'm an ape too," and he goes and says, "We don't have any more shares." Okay, I'm being honest with you guys. We don't have any more shares. We had 70 million shares and they're done. Now, he said that well, not now. This is a little while ago. Came with 25 million shares. I'm thinking it'll be closer to 50 when the time he's done with it. I think he's not being very honest with us, but he says that they're the shares that, and this is true, that when you own, that's when he said the 70 million shares, those are shares that are in the pot for sale for AMC. Okay. There's insider shares that you get. Okay. When you work for a company, and I know this is true because it happens all over and it's just common knowledge, you can get shares. You can be paid in shares, or you can get shares for like overtime, things like that are put into a pot. Shares are always, there's always a lot that is not in the count, that is like for bonuses, or when you make it over an amount, you get shares, you get a kickback. It's called a kickback from the company. Okay, so what it does is it goes in a separate account that's off the records. Okay, it's not off the share. It's not off of the basic fucking the float. Okay, it's still counted in there as a legit share owned because it's a real share. It's registered. I'm not saying that. I'm saying it's been put behind doors and it's not counted in the big kit and caboodle. It is on the share count. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the open market. So what I think happened, and he kind of worded that they're not his shares. Okay, to divert the conversation off of him because he was lying. He lied to us. Okay, so he says that they're the people in the company. Okay, and he could be telling the truth, and I'm pretty sure he is. Okay, but he's saying he didn't know about this. He's full of shit. Okay, he's the one that has to sign off on these. He's the only one that does. Okay, that and Treasury. There's a Treasury department. Okay, so I think what it is he's saying that it's say his secretary or the other CEOs, the management, they own shares. Okay, they put them all together and they decided to sell them now, and that's what's going on in the open market. That's what he's talking about. Okay, so So that's my take on it. That's just my take, guys. So I just watched that video because I mentioned it. I'm thinking, fuck, I better go check to see if I forgot and mentioned something that not that I was intentionally lying or anything like that, but I thought about, shit, did I remember the whole part of the conversation? But I was 100% right on it. So yeah, and I would have corrected if I was like misleading you by accident, because I try to stay factual, right? Everybody makes mistakes, right? But yeah, I just wanted to talk about that. So yeah, that 25 million, I think it's roughly around there. The only reason why I'm worried, and I'm not trying to fearmonger you guys, is I'm just looking at his past patterns. Okay, he's an awesome CEO. He's an awesome CEO. He's probably one of the best. He's all for the company. Okay, he don't care about us. Okay, his job is to protect that fucking company. Okay, which he's done a damn good job on it. But he forgets that if it wasn't for us, he'd be bankrupt. Okay, that he didn't do anything. It was us. I'm just worried about him dumping them all at once. Okay, because of his past history. If he was any respectable toward us, because he knows that the only thing that we want is the fucking squeeze. We don't care, right? How much money they make on it, right? Whoa, look at those numbers go. Holy shit. There's something wrong with the platform. I was looking at the upper numbers. It must be a glitch or something weird. So anyways, what I was saying is, if he divides them, and he waits for the full fucking squeeze instead of doing it with FOMO like last time. That was FOMO. And it was just hitting FOMO. I just tapped it. And he dumped those. Fuck. If he would have waited till the next morning and did it, or through the weekend and did it, guys, we would have ate those shit right up sideways. It would have dipped it maybe a couple, like $10, and it would have gone right back up. Hey, Pawn, how you doing, brother? Long time no see. Oh, held for review. I just unlocked you. I don't know, Pawn. I just say it how it is. No, they can't. Tess is right. They can't be emotional. I'm not. I just don't care the way, because I'm for you guys. Okay. But for his position in the CEO, man, he's one of the best. Okay. That's how they think. And if he's narcissistic, he's even better. They're the best, man. You can't be emotionally attached. I've talked about this before. So, DWAC. Okay, I'll have a look at it. I've noticed that before, Mr. L. I was just trying to end fun, PHO, that pharmaceutical company. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a gist on it. So I'll wrap this. If he splits it and dumps it, it won't be as bad. Okay. Which I don't know if he will. 25 million will, if we're in the middle of a squeeze, fucking won't do nothing. We got to worry about BlackRock and Securities and fucking Vanguard. Those are the ones that are going to hurt us, okay? But their past, if you look at the past on those guys, they will sell the same as they buy. They nibble away. They'll buy a million here, a million here, a million here, a million here. They don't buy big fucking chunks. Well, for us, they're big chunks, but they don't buy all at once and that's it. You know what I mean? That's a... Oops, sorry. So yeah, it can be taken different ways, guys. Hopefully he does the right. Yeah, I know. But I'm just going off of past what he already did with the 70 million shares, man. He didn't need it up all at once. That's all. That's all I'm saying, guys. I go off his past because I personally don't know that guy. Anyways, I'm going to look this up for you guys. Sorry, I just had to wrap that there. You guys know how I feel. I've talked about it lots. And my story is the same every time. And the reason why I talk like that is because I'm on your guys' side. Right? Or else I wouldn't fucking care. Okay, that's that digital world. Yeah. The Trumpers. Holy fuck, it went way down. Oh, it's not that. A lot of people lost money on that. I can see it right now by the numbers. $9 to 175, back down to this. That won't go. That won't do anything again. Did you guys own anything on this? I would stay the fuck away from it now. It's not going to go back to 175 bucks. I can tell you that right now. This is new, eh? Unless something miraculously happens. Here, I'm going to bump this on the 5-minute here. I fucking hate that 1-minute chart here. 75. They only had the push for the day right there. There it is right there. The one push. It was pumping. Oh, that was that one that hurt. A lot of people lost money on that right there. So that was an institutional fucking problem there. Right there. That's what that is, guys. Where'd that go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Yeah, it's been bleeding since. There it is right there. There's another one. So yeah, but that's all I gotta say is watch, man. When you see this thing rip in the fucking nighttime, don't jump in on it first thing in the morning, guys. Aaron, you're funny. I own 0. I know a lot of you. I know some people made. I know a lot of you made money on this. Facial neck recognition software. Yeah, I heard something about that too. That's pretty scary, man. Actually, to be honest with you, I have it on my computer here. Yeah, that's bad, man. That just, there's nobody that made money on that right there. That just fucked. That fucked a lot of people. There's no way. What did that? Within 10 minutes it went up and then crashed. Wow. Be careful, guys. Be careful. You guys got more friggin' balls than me. For you guys out there, not the ladies, obviously. Oh, I gotta get back. All the way back. I'll put it on the 30-minute chart to get there. How new is this company? Oh, it's fucking new. What? Oh, is it really new? I didn't know it was that new. What year is this? When did this open? This year? Because they had the, yeah, they did too. Holy shit. PH something. I think the cyber thing last week. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of weird shit going on, man, with the world nowadays. Okay, so I'll keep that one on there because you guys seem to watch that one. What was it? PH. What was the other one here? Mr. L. PH. Oops. Oh yeah, this is another one that. This one's another one that's overturned 30. Yeah, these ones have low floats. These ones are really easy to pump if you got millions of dollars. These are inside pumps for sure. That's open marketed actually. This, so that was an actual retailers that pushed this up. Good. This is an honest push. It's an honest push, guys. Yeah, these are honest pushes. They're not set up by retail. See, some of these new companies are easy to fucking ride up because they're not shorted to shit. Not like a company like BlackBerry that fucking like over 70% of the fucking shares are bullshit, right? Because there's so many of them out there. So a new company, it's really hard to do, right? It's up 5%. 20% over change. It doesn't even tell you how much fucking stock do they own? What's going on here? Free float. Oh yeah, look at this. Market cap. Free float. Holy shit. Free float's 70 million and the free float market cap is, fuck, that's crazy. That's fucking crazy, man. I could see this one going up. For sure. That's fucking nuts, man. There's a lot of volume for that little stock. What are these guys in anything here? Or is it just, is there any, like, fucking backing behind these guys or anything? Like, are they into, like, cell stem research or fucking building fucking mechanical brains or anything like that? I'm I'm losing it. Where's my line? I have my MEA on there. There we go. Now I feel better. Ooh, Fuse Cobalt is up sick. Good. Good. Manjeet. Where are you, lady? Where are you? I need to. Where's your Tesla? Manjeet's Tesla. Fuck. I want to. She must be pissed. She sold all of her shares for EMC. Fuck. She would be a multi-millionaire right now. Multi-millionaire. Okay, I'm gonna jump off this, guys. I can see another push on this for sure. There's a lot of volume. There's a lot of power coming in here, man. The fuck, it's overturning pretty fast. Fuck, is it ever? Yeah, if people would have just stayed focused. Oh, they have a software platform. Okay, I knew there was something there going on with this. It looks like a legit company, actually. It looks legit stocks. Like, it looks legit. The people are buying it. It doesn't look like it's a fucking retail. It looks like it's a retail push, which is awesome. It's not a fucking behind-the-scenes bullshit. Oh, okay. Drones for farming. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. There's some crazy shit going on. But if I was just saying, like, if everybody, including myself, I did it a little bit, not that much, stayed focused on these two stocks instead of fucking diverting, this would all been over and done with. Okay? It's just that everybody, it was a good thing at the beginning. It's still a good thing. But what happened was, and you'll probably agree with me, is they've diverted us. Okay? The packs split into so many friggin' directions, and I noticed that happening probably about 7 months ago. No, longer than that. Yeah, about 7 months ago on Reddit, and it got infiltrated by a whole bunch of different types of people that never even knew about Reddit. Got in there and started fucking diverting, and people just went all different directions. It is what it is, right? It's nobody's fault, I guess, right? Because it's just that it was good. Like, we were doing fucking good, really, really, really good, and then it just fucking got diverted. Like, yeah, you can tell because of the volume, right? But we're still gonna have our day because the damage is already done. They've already screwed themselves. They've already lent the stock out too many times. I'm just saying that it would have been worse. Yeah, those two stocks are mirroring, GME and AMC. I know I always say that, but you can see that if you got it the two of them right on top of each other, when one goes up, the other one goes up within a second, then goes down, goes up, goes up. They're on the same shit. Richard, you Manjeet should chop. That came out wrong. No, I thought Mr. L. Sorry, I didn't know. I don't know anything about that. I know when that does comment. The thing is yeah, Manjeet would be a fucking, oh man, she had more money than all of us. She wouldn't have sold all those shares. She owned a lot of fucking Tesla, lots. But yeah, she bought AMC with it. A lot of people did, though. A lot of people did. It was yeah. It's crazy. Holy shit! Lithium went back negative again. Fuck! I'll never get my money back out of that. Damn sundial! What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with that stock, man? Those hedgies must have their fucking hands right in there so good. It never gets a chance to go. Wow, a lot of people lost money on BBY today. Fuck, it's down less than half. I know a lot of people would have bought in thinking it was, this is going to be it. And that already happened. A lot of people back See, that's the thing that a lot of us don't communicate, and the hedge funds and banks and institutions do. They don't forget their data. Their data is logged. We don't do that. That's the problem, right? We don't communicate. We don't have ways to talk to it because we don't know each other, right? We don't compile data. They do. I'll show you guys something I was choking on this morning. This thing was up really high. They've almost overturned over 70% of the pot today, okay? Which it should be way higher than this. Where was it? I don't like this fucking chart sometimes. Here, let's see, have a look here. Where was it? It's not telling you the full numbers anymore. Oh yeah, it was at $13, eh? Then it went up to 53. So that's 26. That's 200% roughly 200% increase. Okay, and collapsed. So there's a lot of people that are maybe not that many of us, but there's a lot of people. Oh fuck, buddy, that's a lot. 15K is a lot, man. Well, I've almost lost $70,000 on AMC, $60,000 so far on AMC. That's a down payment on an H2 Ninja. I'd be sick too. Yeah, it's a lot of buddy. Well, hey, I'm down 20 grand. I'm down 20 grand in total on my losses on my stocks. Between like 3 of them. I'll tell you which ones there. Vision's Lithium. I'm down about 5 grand on there. I'm down about 90%. I know you guys have probably heard this before, but this is just I'm very transparent on this. This one right here. The fuck is it? I gotta get rid of some of these guys. I can bring them back up later on for you. I gotta erase some of these. They won't let me look at my stocks. This one here, this BES. It's a lithium battery company. I'm down about 4 grand on that. What's the other one? Fuck, I forget because there's one more. I'm about 15 grand down. I'm talking like actual negative. I'm not talking what it potentially could have made. I'm talking like putting in the stock dropping. There's 2 different things there. Because if we're talking about potential money, I would be fucking wasted millions of dollars that I could potentially made. Right? That's not. Oh, Fuse Cobalt, it's up 6%. But I bought this one, it was like 23 cents. It's at 0.85 now. And I'm down like that a large. I didn't know how much on that one. Tesla will collapse again, guys. Just so you know that. It's a managed squeeze. You guys know this stuff, don't you? You guys should know this stuff. Yeah, it's a managed. That's what they're trying to do to AMC. It won't happen though. There's too many people in on it. But that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to fucking slowly raise it over like a 3-4 year period, and slowly bring it up. Like say this, like 20 or like oops, wrong stock. Sorry guys. They're trying to bring it up like $3 a day, every day. Collapse it back down. Bring it up. Collapse it back down, to make monies on the option plays all the way up. It's a managed squeeze. There's more ways to make money on a stock than just riding it, right? You have to remember, these guys go to school. They're like the broker's school to go to get a broker's license is huge schooling, man. I was gonna do it, and I was deterred from it, right? And I already have 3 trades under my belt, and it's nothing like that. But yeah, if you go back about 5 years ago, that's why Elon Musk hates hedge funds. He fucking hates them because they've almost killed his company a couple times. That's where I got that from. I was watching an episode on him, and that's what he was explaining, that's what they're doing to his company. They're fucking they're screwing with him, right? He hates them. And he can't do anything about it. that they own fucking his company, right? The shares of it, anyways, the shareholders. So what they're doing is they fucking short the shit so bad, and then they know it's going to squeeze, so they'll fucking they just manage it all the way up. They make money off of him. Meanwhile, he's making nothing, and it looks bad because even though it's a good product, that doesn't matter. It's a good product in a lot of ways. Some of it's not, right? It is what it is, right? Yeah. Overall, I think it's pretty good. But everything has their down pull on it, right? I think it did give an open door and open people's minds up to other ways. It's branched a lot of companies off of it that have never thought about shit like this and gave where they want to give them competition. I think it's a good thing. But, yeah. Jamie's frozen for some reason. Oh, there it goes. It took a long time to move. What the fuck is going on here? Something fucking weird, man. Oh, fuck yeah. Ha! Oh, dude, that's fucking not normal. Look at it. Attacked, attacked, attacked. Exactly. And they're almost in identical time movements. So what is that? 8 minutes? Consolidated for attack, which in 3 candlesticks, that's 3 minutes, 4 minutes down. 3 candles, 4 minutes down. 3 minutes, 4 minutes down. Oh yeah, it's fucking obvious. Exactly time. Yeah. Yeah. Old news, old news, old news. Old news, guys. Old news. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You'll get your money back, bro. You will get your money back. Kat, you pretty much have the same stocks as me in there, girl. My fellow Canadian. You're gonna see a push there. 1 year in the market. You are pretty much. I've been in the market for a while, but I'm just saying that on those stocks there, Kat, the same stocks that we own. You own a couple different ones than me. It's been a year. That's what I'm. Yeah. So, how'd your MVIS go? Because did you have a chance to liquidate that? That's up to you if you want to answer that. I mean, I know you don't really care to talk about that stuff. I do want to talk. That's where I'm missing off my chart. Shit. Oh, fuck, it's way down there again, eh? Shit, bastards. It was up to 14 fucking bucks. Fucking thing. Fucking assholes. Yeah, this one's really shorted to shit. I know it. No, I'm not talking about the short volume or interest. I'm talking overall. Like, the fucking, the amount of people that are in on this that are bad news, right? So yeah, the 28 bucks was up exactly $10, which is quite a bit. That'd be 816. That's 816. That's 1632. That's 150%. Needs to go up. That's quite a bit on a stock like this. Yeah, it was at a fucking $1.06, man. And then it went up to 28. That's a huge fuck. That's like 1,000% close to it. I gotta go out in the Oh, Tess, you have a good day, man. And I oh no, it's not. Yeah, you do. Cat, fuck, I feel for you. I feel for you. I feel for you on that one. You're exactly like me. Like I just explained, I'm down to fucking almost 20 grand. You got in, you did the same fucking shit I did. You got caught in just when COVID hit, everything collapsed, and then a couple months later, everything started going up, and you bought, didn't you? And then fucking it all went fucking collapse. As soon as the stim money came out, the second stimulus check came out in the market down in the States, everything fucking went through the roof. And that's when a lot of people got in the market because a lot of people were making money. FOMO kicked in, and people started talking about shit. Oh, hey man, I made this much money, and then you just buy into something. Aw, fuck, cat, that sucks. I know, but hey man, you're yeah, good. You took some advice there. Not that I gave it to you, but um, yeah, yeah, it's good to just walk away from it. I would definitely have my alarm set though, because stuff can rip after hours and that. This went up to $14 though, didn't it? Well, I don't have a way to pulling it up. Didn't it go? I was thinking about you. It went up quite a bit on it, but still, I don't know. I don't cash in it. If I'm down about 10% of my money, I think about it, but any less than that, I won't sell. Like I took a hit on BlackBerry of $500 out of 5 grand. That I was okay with, because then within an hour it fucking collapsed back down to nothing. I don't know, Cap. I don't know. Cat would know that. She knows about that stuff. I don't know anything about that. I don't know anything about that. But it does have it does do a lot of good stuff though. Sheepcoin's fucking collapsing again, eh? Fuck. Well, not collapse. I shouldn't say that. That's not a collapse, 7%, but over total, it's gone down quite a bit. It's just it's down pulling. I should say it's not collapsing. Collapsing's when it's down like fucking hundreds of percent, or at least 50% or something. Oh, Air Canada did recovery. I want to check out that COVID pill. A friend of mine still held. I told her to fucking okay. Yeah, I'm 14 means nothing to me. Oh shit. Oh fuck, you're way up there, hey girl. Ah shit. Okay, because I was thinking about you at 14. It does the fuck. That must have been a piss off. It went to 14 and back down again. Oh fuck. Yeah, you did the same thing as me. So you did the same thing with me on those stocks. Like I can tell identical what happened. That's not your fault though. That's the institutional pumps and shit like that, and we got caught up in it, right? That's why I keep on talking to the people, the younger traders on here that are actually just coming in the market. We get a lot of people now that come on the channel, like been in a couple weeks and stuff. I try to educate them on these, looking at the chart, stuff that I wish I was taught, and I was never taught that to get the click the button for the extended hours. And never ever fucking when it's up hundreds of percent in the pre-market, don't buy when the market opens. Fuck, you're gonna sting yourself. 90% of the time it's gonna collapse. I just want to have a look at this. But yeah, this is where we had that live ladder attack, guys. This thing gets fucking attacked hard. Where's AMC here? Where is it? There it is. LiDAR. I heard that LiDAR one. Cap. Oh. There's nothing to me. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, I read that one. They'll have their day too, though. Cat, when this thing When AMC and GME go, I would definitely be keeping my eye on that though. You might be able to get your money back. I don't know how high it's gonna go. As long as they don't get caught in a lawsuit, I think you'll be fine. I don't think it will go. It'll go probably. It won't go higher than what the highest is now. I don't think it'll maybe a little bit, but it's not going to go into the millions of percent. Like not millions, but I'm just being stupid. It's probably not going to go more than 500% up because of what it is, right? Unless they come out with something miracle shit. What I want? Oh yeah. Antarna Zaraz. That's the COVID pill out of Canada. Well, they're all over there. AEZ. Antarna Zaraz. That's the one I made major money on. Hundreds of thousands of dollars in like fucking 2 months. No, that's the wrong. Why is it? Here it is. Nah, $4. That's the wrong one. Bullshit. That's not the right one. Antarna. There's two different ones here. You gotta watch. Zaraz. There it is, right there. 80 cents probably. Holy shit, that's down. Fuck. A friend of mine was just over on the weekend and she didn't sell. I told her to fucking sell it. And she didn't. They got caught in loss. Oh, there's no volume in here anymore. It's not the same as it was before. Oh shit, nothing. Damn. Fuck. So this thing, this is the stock that I made ever the most money on, hands down. And it was just a penny stock. It still is. It went up to $4. Around there, $3.50 to $4. I'll try to pull the right numbers up here for you. And I flipped the shit on this, man. It went up. I made my money, I put hundreds of thousands on it, and I went in and put like big chunks, man. And it was fucking going nuts. I could have made more, but I fell asleep one day. And I told you that story. What the fuck's going on here? This thing lying to me here? Why isn't it telling me? I don't like this chart like this. Why isn't it telling me the overall? Bastards. Oh yeah, $3.60. There you go. I said almost $4. So yeah, I got it at 50 cents is the cheapest I got it at. What was the cheapest it was? It doesn't tell you. Why the fuck is this thing? Oh yeah, 50 cents. Oh, it went down lower than that. 29 cents. I never got it that cheap. 50 cents. And then I think the highest I cashed on it was like $3. I didn't even get it to the 360. But yeah, I did that like, fuck, I don't even know how many times, man. I know once I got shut down because I bought too many stocks in the week. Yeah, Kat, I seen your channel there. Everything's sorted. Yeah, I know. How is the V? Is it hitting you guys hard out there, Kat, in Ontario? We're getting fucking hammered here with that variant. It's killing people everywhere. It's getting bad, man. Bad. But everybody's so used to it that it's when it first hit here, we had like 1,000 strains in the province. Infections, right? Now, you just get used to 1,000, couple thousand. Oh, that's, you forget, right? And then you just go, but yeah, it's hitting hard. It's hitting hard, like that job offer. Like I think they shut down. Like they're having problems. People are not getting vaccinated, right? They don't want to do it, which is fine. That's up to you. I don't think that anybody should be told what to do. Right? I got mine for a reason, and I'm very, very fucking strict behind that, right? Fuck, that's a lot of red. It's not going to go much lower today, guys. Just so you know that. I don't know exactly, but we're not going to drop down in the red. I can't see that today. Greenest desert. You guys are getting lots of rain down there, Warren? Oh, that's low. Holy shit, you guys. That's a record low for you guys. Good. Yeah, I know. I felt bad for. Yeah, Alberta's been rough for months. Months. But they're. Yeah, John. I had to for reasons, man. My wife's a cancer survivor, so by me not getting it can kill her. Right. So. I know some people would like, oh, I'd love to get rid of my wife. Right. But, yeah, I just, because her immune system's down, it's just, it'd be very selfish for me not to get it. I know it's putting my own life in danger getting it. I know all the bullshit around it. She was even against it. Our daughter hasn't had it, and stuff like that. But, and they're traveling, right? So they nailed me in everywhere that they could. So I could sit here and dig my heels in. Fuck, and I'm really strong-minded like that. When I don't want to do something, I won't do it. Especially when the government wants me to do something, and it's not. They're telling me to do it and not asking me. There's a difference there. I did it more for. I tried to think outside the box, not to be selfish and for myself. I did it more for other people around me, for my family, for my grandmother, things like that. So I couldn't go see my grandma. That was one of the things. My wife, because of her immune system, traveling was a main one. That was a main one. It's different here in Canada. You can't go to grocery stores, certain stores. You can't go to any restaurants. You can't go in there. You're banned. You can't go in there unless you have an app on your phone. They don't even take the cards anymore. You have to have an app on your phone. I just got it downloaded the other day. And you can't go into any pubs or anything like that. You're banned from there. And there's a couple other places too, which I don't go, but it's so infringed. I know I could just get food ordered at home and all that stuff. But the bottom line is, could I live with myself if I intentionally killed somebody in my family by just not getting the shot? No, it's not fair, man. So I had to really make a decision, right? I'd rather be dead than my family members. It is what it is, right? So I know there's a lot of stuff going on around this could happen. It is what, Raymond, so you know what I mean, right? So I had to really think outside of it. Like really think outside of it, not joking around like, oh yeah, you know what I mean? Like I had to really sit down and think about this one, and I did, and I had to, I had not think about myself. I don't care if I die, I die, right? Like fuck, whatever. I'm gonna be dead. I'm not. How the fuck would I care? I'm gonna be dead, right? And I'm okay with that. Like, I wouldn't. If I left, my wife would be set for the rest of her life. I know that. I've already set our family up at my age, at 44 years old, well, 45 now. If I left this world, my family for generations be taken care of with money, houses, all that kind of shit. They're already looked after, okay? So I'm okay with that. But if I intentionally, because of a mistake I made, that's like driving a car down the road with loose wheel lug nuts on it. And you know you're going to have a head-on collision with your family in the car into that thing. Would you drive it down the road? That's up to you to decide, right? But yeah, everybody has their own thing. I know it's biological warfare, and I know, but that's up to you guys what you do, right? That's not what the conversation's about. It was about me, what my decisions are, right? And I don't judge anybody for that, right? That's up to you. A lot of people say, oh, fuck, you're selfish because you didn't get it, and you're actually putting all of us at danger. No, whatever. No, they're not. Because if you're stupid enough to go hang around people that aren't vaccinated and there's a virus going around, it's on you. It's not on them not getting vaccinated. That's the way that's the way I look at shit. You're in control of where you go. If you know there's a virus out there and you know people are not getting vaccinated, and sometimes it doesn't work, you can get vaccinated and get COVID. Like, if you don't know that, that's true. I know that for 100%. They even tell you when you get vaccinated, right? So it is what it is. right? So like, yeah, just it's kind of stupid thinking, right? Like if you know there's something gonna kill you, would you like walk into the center of the street if you know there's a truck coming down the road and you know you're gonna get hit? Would you walk across the road? Like it's pretty common sense. And if you don't want to get the shot, then don't put yourself in the situation, right? It's kind of simple. It's pretty simple math. And I don't think anybody should be forced into that shit, right? It's bullshit. Misinformed. Oh, there's Kat. You would know because you're a nurse, right? There's so much lies on the news. It's blocked. You guys all know that shit, especially in the States. You guys know that for fucking sure. States is one of the worst in the well, no, China is, but States is second worst in the world, and then the UK, and then Canada's up there too. It's all controlled by the government. I know it's all bullshit. The vaccine. Just wait until the next one comes out. This is just a test run. Wait until the next one. They fucked up. It didn't kill all of us, man. They fucked up bad. I'm not getting into COVID. Yeah, we shouldn't even be talking about. Oh, look at this attack! Fuck. Remember I said it was gonna go down. Shit. I knew it was. We'll get it pulled back up, but it won't go below $38. I don't think. Yeah, we shouldn't be talking about political stuff like this anyways on him. Just because it does hurt people's feelings and stuff, right? Not my intentions, but fuck, we're down to 5% again. Oh, my dogs are up. The family's up. Yeah, John, I know. It can happen. It can happen to anybody, buddy. You can get cancer tomorrow, right? Oh, fuck. I should have stayed away being attacked. I don't understand what's happening. On here. I thought you meant you're being attacked on the chat bar. I'm like, what the fuck? People don't do that on there. Oh, you're talking about the market. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Oh, Jamal. I didn't say it. Welcome, buddy. Sorry, man. I seen you there and I just totally didn't even say anything. Sorry, buddy. I'm just. Yep, the dogs are up for sure now. The dogs are up. Finnegan and Frankie. It's my other dogs. Franny and Finnegan. Franny and Finnegan. Oh, Sanjay, Christopher and the walkie-talkie stuff. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Yeah, there you go. That's him. Hi, Lloyd. Welcome, brother. Time to buy or lower? Oh, if you're going to buy today? I don't know, but I don't It's not. I can't see it going below into the red. I don't know, my friend. It's been a weird day. What time is it? Fuck, I think it's done and it's petering out. Yeah, it's a fucking weird day, man. I think it's going to stabilize pretty soon. I don't think they'll take us into the red. Like I said, this is controlled not by us, guys. The fuck is that crystal clear, eh? That image? Oh man, I think we nailed it. We nailed it, guys. We nailed it. Yeah. I know, Warren, it's not financial advice. I know that, buddy. I gotta watch what I say. That's why I always take time answering it. Oh, I know, because I don't like giving you guys information like that because I don't want to be wrong, right? Because I know better. You can't. This is out of our control. They have the dark pool. Yeah. Like all these indicators and shit mean nothing. Oh. Just had a message come in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got a job interview too. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what. Oh, I got you guys' emails now. I didn't check my phone. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna read some stuff here for a second. Just give me a second. At least you guys can watch the chart. I'm not ignoring you guys. I can do today. Oh, cool. Sounds good, Jason. I'm just reading your email right now, brother. I'll talk to you at 2:30. You're on Pacific time, right? I'll send you the stream key after I do this, and we can do a chat. I'll message you back afterwards. Richard, you're on here, brother. Eastern. Oh shit, you're gonna make me do the math? Ha. Richard, are you still on here, brother? Fuck. Eastern time. I don't even know if that's at 3 or 4 hours difference. Are you ahead of me? You're ahead of me. Oh. You're gonna have to figure out the time, bro, on that, because I can tell you it's 9 o'clock a.m. here now. What time is that? 4 p.m. Eastern time. You're going to have to tell me, my friend, because I don't know how many hours different that is. I think it's 3. And you're ahead of me, so that would be... I'll send you the stream key. 4 hours ahead of me. So 4 o'clock would be... It'd be 3 o'clock here? I don't know. I'll let you figure it out, bro. I know you're on here. And about the walkie-talkie stuff, just hang on. I'm checking. That's why I went on here. Sanjay. I don't know. It's up to you. The bottom line is he hasn't expensed that phone. He better not send me a new... 3 hours different. Okay, brother. Okay, so it'd be 3 o'clock here then. At 4 o'clock, it would be... You're ahead. Okay, cool. I just had to... Oh, I kind of figured that out, yeah. So 3 o'clock, it'd be 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock? We can do 1 o'clock. I'll send you the stream key, bro. The same as I did last time. Just hit the link. Good, we get to wrap all this stuff up today. I just got to get a hold of D now, and... my pen, I don't have a pen. Oh, shit. My kid took the pen. They're not supposed to come in here. They're not supposed to be in here. Give me a second here. Fuck. Okay, I'll remember it. 3 o'clock? Okay, 3 o'clock then. Yes, I can check it right now, bro. 3 o'clock? I'll remember that. Richard, I'll remember that. Okay, at 3 o'clock then. How would that work? You're saying at 4. Listen to this. Listen. Sorry, buddy. I just need to get this straightened out here. I'll look at that. Okay. How about at 4 o'clock Eastern? You're saying 4 o'clock your time and 3 o'clock. 3 hours difference. Oh, you're saying 3 hours difference, which you're ahead. So it'd be 1 o'clock, right? Am I right? Or am I lose my fucking time? Yeah, I'm right. I've seen it. I know there's a little bit of a lag. Okay, brother. Thank you. I know I'm being retarded this morning, but okay. So yes, I can look that up for you, brother. Brother of the faith, friend of mine. Pro. Is this the one? Oh, what the fuck is going on here? Is this it, bro? There's 2 different ones here. Yeah, it must be, because else you wouldn't be asking me if it was down in the negatives. Let's have a look at this for you. Holy shit. It's up quite a... There's no volume in here hardly, eh? Today, 1 point something million, but it's gone up quite a bit. Oh, wow. Holy crap. They bled the market on this one. Holy fuck. That's not fair. That hurt a lot of retail investors there, man. Coming in the market, they were open, what, 5 minutes? Everybody thinks it's going to rip and it dumped. Yeah. 1 p.m. That's right, bro. I know. Thank you. Not a problem, buddy. I know. I was just talking out loud. I should have just figured it out. That's why I don't smoke weed anymore, man. This channel would be airing for fucking like 6-7 hours a day. I'm trying to figure shit out. No, not a problem, buddy. Not a problem. Just went up 1% since we had this on here. I just want to have a look at this for you here. What are we saying? I had a $5 for difference fluctuation today. I don't like 52-week low. 60, it's almost gone up. That doesn't have that much of a fucking variant, which is good. It holds its money, right? For some, well, I'm not saying for some reason, because obviously it has something behind it. Is it property? Is this a property management company or something, or real estate involved? Is that not the one? I think it is. There's 2 on here. Is that the wrong? No, that's the one. Not that one. Okay. Not a problem, buddy. This one looks like a good one, though. Look at this one. Not a problem, my friend. It sucks when there's 2 different companies on there. Watch, I'll show you. See, there's this one, and then there's this one. Yeah, it's the same. What the fuck is going on here? Look at this. Look at this. This one you're talking about? Is this the one? I think you want the other one. It's 15%. This other one's doing better, bro. Oh, I gotta check something here. Tom's not on here today. Oh, around 2:30 if that works. Okay, we got 2 different times here. Okay, good. We're gonna have to do, Richard. We're gonna have to do a double visit today, eh? I owe you some time there, bro. Okay, we'll do a 20-minute. Think about I'm not telling you what to do, but if you want to write some stuff down that you want to talk about, just write a list. And I'll just keep on. It's just you guys are the ones asking me the questions. I don't mind telling you stories and talking about stuff if you want to hang out. I don't mind doing that. Some people just want to talk, which is fine with me. I don't mind talking about stuff. Asking me what my hobbies are and stuff like that. Some people just want to chat, right? It's all good. Which is fine. I just, it's up to you what you want to talk about. Yeah, this okay. I was going to look at this. Getting sidetracked here. I'm pulling another Lou on me. That's the one? Okay, good, brother. Okay, $3. And what was the high? Oh, 65 cents? Holy shit. 65, 120, 120, 240. So that's 300%, 240. Wow. almost 400%, 300% difference since it when it yeah, the 60. Fuck. Wow. I got 50 shares at $3. Okay. Well, that's not bad. You're in your money a little bit. Well, it depends how many shares you bought. If you bought a fucking 50 grand worth. Oh, you said 50, obviously, but I'm just saying. Okay, brother, that's cool. 50 shares. Well, you're a little bit in your money. Good. And this is when after it's gone down. So that's not bad at all. The high. What's the high this thing's ever been to? $7. So it's double. Literally a little bit over double. So it's gone up 120%, 110%. Yeah, I can, bro. Yeah, Lloyd, I can do that for sure. Just give me a minute here, brother. I know you said anytime. It's all good. I just want to have a look at this for Mr. L here. The stock seems to hold its money. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's what I got on the 5-minute, guys, because I like to do that. That's fucking... Some institutions were playing with it right there. Yeah, this thing seems pretty solid, man. This stock. I like it. It holds its money. So... it doesn't go that low. It goes down to about the $2 range and then goes back up to about $3-4. It seems to stay in the channel. What's the highest? It went up to $7. So yeah, you could make some good money on this. I don't know anything about it. I'm just going off of charts here. This is the first thing I check. I won't have time to dig into it. Like obviously looking thing up on YouTube. I mean on Workhorse down. Is that what he's looking for? Workhorse? Oh, yeah, Workhorse, yes. Okay, so I'll look at Workhorse for you right now. AMC at 39. I know it is. It's gone down quite a bit. I know. I don't think it'll go much lower, though. Yeah, remember? Oh, yeah. I know. I don't go down to 30. I can't see it going lower than $38 because there's no options down. Well, there is, but it's out of the bracket. It doesn't make sense for them to put it below that. They're definitely letting it slide, and then I potentially could see it. It's so early in the day. I could see about 11 o'clock it going back up to about $40, guys. 41. I don't think it's going to go any higher than that because it's going out of there. Then it takes them out of their brackets, right? And they don't want that. They're doing options on us. They're fucking. There's probably a whole whack. Watch, you're gonna get I got a message today from Weeble saying that there's a substantial amount of options have traded today on the stock. I can almost guarantee that. There you guys go. Okay, are you cool, man? I just want to have a look at that. Sorry, guys. I go, Mr. L. Potential short. Yeah, I could. It could. Yeah, for sure. What's the short volume interest on this? Like how much has it been shorted? If it's over 24%, it's a good one. And that changes all the time. Yeah, Kappa will do a reversal. For sure it will. Not on this, but on Workhorse. Okay. Oh, comes up right away. There you go, Mr. Al. That's as much as I can do on it. I was just having a look for my own. That's why I went way back there, like about a month. I was just curious to see how it was holding. I really like how it holds. It's way more stable than AMC and GME by fucking far. They must be into some pretty good shit. They must. I don't know what they do, but I can tell by looking at it. Yes, Richard, you nailed it. You fucking nailed it, bro. First thing in the morning, I did that. I went on to Stocks Era, and you guys, you should use that. Forget about that Ortex shit. It's all junk. Okay, this other guy is a one-man business. He does his own DD. He puts his own numbers on there. He way more accurate than fucking that other shit is, man. And it's free, right? It's called Stocks Era. And I think it's out of the UK, I think. I'm not 100% on that. But it seems like the UK people have their shit together when it comes to that stuff. They're really diligent on stuff, right? All the people I've met anyways out of the UK. And I've never been there myself, but there's a decent amount of people over there, man. I like them. Okay, so anyways, Workhorse. What happened? I put it in here. There it is. Wrong one. Ooh, shit. What happened there? Fuckers. fucking with us again. Yeah, comes up, dump. That's bullshit. Fuckers, man. That's not fair. There's no reason for it to dump like that, man. That's total bullshit. They've been doing that with a lot of stocks. Yeah, they're getting you a thing. Oh, it's ripping after hours. They did the same thing with Bath & Beyond today. That's okay. When it does this, I know it sucks when it drops, but if they give you a little bit of a chance to fucking liquidate, that's a little bit more fair. Not really, but I'm on the 5-minute too, guys. I do that when I'm looking at stuff. It's just better overall for that. Yeah, fuck, that's not fair. That's bullshit. That's slimy, man. They don't even give you a chance to exit your position. Yeah, that's a fucked up day today on that. Cap, I like your little sayings there. That's hilarious. Workhorse. Yeah, there's a lot of people in on this still. I know that for a fact. I'm not. Never have been. The name's kind of cool. I'm just joking with you guys. I don't go off names when I buy stocks. My wife does. She like BlackBerry. Oh, that's cool, man. I like that name. Buy $5,000 worth. Seriously, she said that. So I did. Of course, I had to. It was her first stock. And then it collapsed. And then I sold it on her. I had to wait for it to get back up there. I think she bought it at $14, and then it collapsed bad. I'm going like $6 or $7. And then I liquidated it, and then I'll buy back in again for sure, but not anytime soon. Not until I that's a stock that's the only stock I'm going to own. That in Air Canada, and that is not dividend. I'm going to liquidate everything else. I'm potentially doing it every day. As soon as I get above my percentage, even if I don't make money on the stock, I liquidate it, get the fuck away from it. Not a problem, Lloyd. Not a problem. So here it comes. Yeah, you're gonna see a push on AMC back up. Yeah, they won't take it too low, you guys, right? No. Yeah, they won't take it too low, guys. It won't hit the red. I can't see it hitting the red today. Okay, this is down. What was this at? 16% overturn. It's been holding. It's been holding today. It's 80 cents. It's about. Oh, it was in the. Oh, fuck! It's gone. It was in the green. The high. It hasn't dropped that much. It was up $42. Holy fuck! It's almost at its all-time low right now. I can guarantee that $42 was about January or February. I can almost guarantee it. This was one of the stocks that was up in the fucking with BlackBerry and all the rest. Fuck. That's a long ways to go to get back. Okay, 14 and 714, that's 100%. 14, 28, 28, 40, that's 300% roughly. It's got to go up 300% to get back. That's quite a bit. This was what? What was this before? Workhorse was, fuck, what was this before? I forget what it was. They had a stock split, didn't it? And they won't let you have anything on this one, eh? They're not being nice on this one. They're letting it go up to about $8 and collapsing it. Putting it at 6, collapsing it. Yeah, they're fucking with this one too. Bad. Look at that. Fucking assholes. Oh man, and you just probably want your money back, eh, Lloyd? Fuck. That's all you want is your money back, probably. Hey, brother, just like the rest of us on this shit. Get the fuck out of it, eh? Yeah, they're being brutal on this one, man. They're bastards. Pumping it and then dumping it. Fuck. You gotta be on your game. And you're not gonna... And fuck, they're only letting it go to exactly $6. The high is like $7.50. That's all they're letting it go to. This is controlled, this one. Big time. I'm already way back in fucking the 4th month, man. And it has not gone... exactly what I was talking about. Fuck me. Look at that. That's bullshit. Oh, dude. You're going to be waiting a while for your money, my friend. I'm not trying to be Mr. Negative here. Oh, you didn't buy in? I was feeling for you, bro. I was feeling for you, man. Oh. I didn't... Oh, dude, stay the fuck away from this one. Stay away from this stock. There's bad. It's bad. And I know people on here that own it. I'm not saying anything, but I know you can agree with me on this. If you do own money on this, I know you're probably just waiting to get the fuck out of it, because this is bad, dude. Bad as fuck. Like, look at that. All red days. Like, this shit. It goes up, they collapse. Look at that. Every day is like that. Like, look, I've gone back. Like, I'm only at $12 and I'm back in fucking... I'm back a year. Almost. Holy crap. This was a pump and dump. It has to be. Like, what the fuck is going on here? Holy shit. Look at the red. Holy crap. I'm back in 2016, man. Why am I back that far? Did I miss the squeeze? Or did I miss the pump? I did miss the pump. Holy fuck. This is the Spock split. That's what happened. There it is right there. I was right. I nailed it. I said February. I said January, February. I fucking nailed it. Dead without even knowing anything about this stock. Oh, okay, Lloyd. No, it's all good, man. Sorry for swearing. I'm not. Yeah, be careful, brother. Just take my... I can't give you financial advice. I almost slipped up there, but it's entertainment. We're entertaining you on this, but you do whatever you want, bud. But you can learn a lot off these guys on here on this channel. Trust me. Maybe not off me. I know nothing about stocks. Nothing at all. I know nothing. But the guys on the channel do. But yeah, we're going to put this on the other one. Oh, that puts us all the way back. I thought that would keep you on the same chart. But yeah, just be careful of this, my friend. Never buy after hours. And that's not financial advice because I can't give you. But just watch the charts. Watch the charts, brother. The charts never lie. Is that what happened, Sanjay? Yeah. That's bad. This stock might never recover again. Might never. You heard me correctly. It's fucked. It's shorted. Not shorted interest or shorted. It's attacked. This is fucking fucked. This is probably one of the worst stocks I've seen. And seriously, it's bad, man. Like, that's not cool at all. I haven't seen anything. I don't even need to look at what this is involved in. I would not buy this stock. And sorry if you guys own it. I'm just being truthful to people. That's all we do. Yeah, dude. But yeah, this is good stuff to learn off of. Go look at some pumps, some pump and dumps, and just watch how it escalates. And you can learn some stuff off that, my friend Lloyd, if you're new and stuff. Yeah, you might want to stick around and go into my archives there, brother, and go in to look at some stock reading. You can't use those indicators on these stocks, though. The whole market's shifted. So learn, because the market will change on it. But I can't tell you what to do. But the stock market's not the same as it was ever since the smartphone apps came out and shit. It'll never be the same, right? It's corrupt as fuck now. It's you can't make money on it, man. It's almost impossible, because what happens is they pump it in the institutional hours, that is pre-market, and then they dump it. And there's no way the retail investor can make money. It's fucking rigged now. It's getting, every week it gets worse. I'm seeing more. It's fucked. 99% of the people on the stock market are just trying to get their money back and get the fuck out. Ask around, man. You'll know what I mean. What's a pump and dump? Okay, a pump and dump is when a stock goes up hundreds of percent, and it's up there for a day or two, and then it collapses. So you think, oh fuck, I'm gonna make all this money, and you put money in it, and then it just dumps. A pump and dump. Clove. Okay, watch this. I'll show you something here. Sorry guys, I'm diverting off for this young man here. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you a pump and dump, guys. Sorry, I'm diverting a bit here, guys. For this young gentleman here, we're gonna teach him something today. Something to watch out for. Okay, this is a pump and dump, bro. That's one right there. Okay, so I gotta put it back on the last chart. It's gonna take a minute here. So I'm looking for this certain date here, and there's a couple of YouTubers that I'm not gonna mention the names. I don't want to slander anybody on here. They posted on their channel about this, and a bunch of people bought in, and they say they didn't own stock in it, but they're full of shit, because you don't talk about stuff and tell people stuff unless you have something in it. Okay. Holy fuck. Come on. It's ways back now. Holy shit, time flies, my friends. Oh, am I on the right one? Yeah. Come on. Was that it? 28 bucks? No, it went higher than that, didn't it? Holy shit. What year am I in? My fucking hand's getting tired here. Come on. Fuck. This is getting fucking annoying. Okay. I just wish I could pull this on a different chart, my friend. It's just going to take me fucking forever to get there. $2014. No, that's the date. I'm trying to get you blowing up. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to get you more of a chart that's blowing up so you can see it. There it is. Okay, so. Okay, see, this all happens. It's okay. Here's where it started. Okay, I got this in an hour chart there, Lloyd. So it's, if you can find it on the 1 minute, it gives you more of it. I don't like using 1 minute charts really. I just do it on here because it just, the 1 minute candles is too many candles. It's every 1 minute there's one, right? There's 70 a day, 60. I forget how many a day. But here's a perfect example. I'll blow it up. Pre-market, okay. So what it is, it's called a mind fuck. Pardon my language, but it is, okay? So you'll hear a bunch of people talking about it, right? They get media attention, okay? A pump and dump is not necessarily, it's nothing to do. Say if it's a pharmaceutical company, they come up with some like cure for cancer. A stock goes up and then it dumps. That isn't a pump and dump, okay? That's not. That's off of, there's a reason for that, okay? A pump and dump is pure people, potential, they're targeting people to screw. Okay, there's only one reason for it. It's fraud. It's illegal as hell on the stock market. It happens every frigging day. Okay, it's just, it's really hard to prove. Okay, so so here to what it is. Okay, the darker is pre-market. Okay, the lighter is pre-market. The dark is open market, like what we're on right now. Okay, so in the morning, it slowly goes up, okay? So people get attention. It gets your attention, right? You're like, holy shit, I could have made some money here. Then at nighttime, it goes fucking way up there, right? You're like, wow. And then it opens up in the morning market, and it goes up more. You're like, fuck, man, I could have made lots of money on this. And then first thing market opens, it fucking collapses like this. Boom, down to nothing. And that's called a pump and dump. So what they're doing is pumping, they're getting you all stoked on it, and then it collapses. So it's called a pump and dump. And it's illegal as hell. And a lot of it happens. So what it is mostly is institutional investors do that. And it's highly unlikely that this stock will ever go back to that limit again. It could. It's highly unlikely though. People are jaded. They're pissed off on this. there's a lot of people that have stock in this still, okay, that want to get their money back, that are just, even when you mention the name Clove, they just get fucking red in the face, is because it's just, I don't know, it's I get mad even talking about it. It's not cool. It's slimy as hell, and it's only geared to rip us off, retail investors, okay? So that is a little pump and dump. That's just a little one. This is really nothing, but it is. There's ones that go up like hundreds and hundreds of percent. I think they got caught before they actually did real damage on this. Rocket was another one, I think, wasn't it? I think it was, yeah. Lloyd, people, Sanjay, here we go. The stocks so that hard people buy in, then the people hype, buy it, and then sell it so the dog dumps. Yeah, that's right. Sanjay nailed it. So, Mr. L, can you go over your street step share recovery system for the day of the squeeze? Yeah. Okay. The day, it potentially will be a couple weeks, but I know what you're getting. I know what you're getting. Here, I'm gonna put this back on AMC, guys, just because nobody gives a shit about this stock, really. When I say that, Lloyd, I just mean that there's a lot of people pissed off over this. So a lot of people, our feelings are really hurt over this one. We lost a lot of money. So, it's like a lot of people lost money at the $70, but this wasn't a pump and dump. It's totally different, man. Here, I gotta get this back here. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'll put us in the 1 minute. Ooh, that looks bad. Too much red, man. I don't like red unless it's Christmas time. Okay, so the Mr. L wants me to go over a system that I've came up with here. I just went off of news and a whole bunch of, which I still do. Depends on what I'm doing. There's different types of trading. If you're day trading, paper hand trading, day liquidating, there's a whole bunch of names for the day trading, okay? I'm not going to discuss that. That's a whole different thing. Mr. L wants me to discuss for the AMC. Okay, I can't tell you what to do, is a 3-system rule, okay? There's a three. I always do things in threes when it comes to the stock market. You don't want to even numbers, okay? Because the human brain, it's natural, unless you're left-handed. This is true. Google it. Citizen, I need to talk to you, bro. I sent you a text. Fire me one back, man. I need to wrap this with your video chat, bro. Thank you. Back to, sorry, I got diverted here. So you have three rule. So the reason why I do it in threes is because hedge funds and the whole market is set up on even numbers. We know that because these platforms were built off of even numbers, like Robinhood, Fidelity. All these companies, the computer programs were run off ones and zeros. Okay, so those are the odd, like, you know what I mean? It's hard to tell if you don't use computer language shit. Okay, so they know that the human brain on $40 is people put their sell limits, their upper sell limits. So their stock, the phone will sell their stocks automatically. They know that they'll go at $50, $100, $200. We've seen that on GME. So when it got to that, all of a sudden it collapsed. And we're like, fuck, everybody sold. No, a lot of people sold. No, they didn't. Their phone sold for them. So that was a problem. That's why I made videos. And if you watch my videos, upper sell limits, pull your indicators off. That's what I mean. Okay. So I want to clarify that first. Make sure you go on your phone on AMC and make sure that it's not set. I don't know what provider you use. If you're using Fidelity, I don't even know where you're from, but make sure that your upper sell limit is put. I can't tell you what to do, but if it was me, put it on infinity, you know, the infinity symbol, if it has that, or if it doesn't have those options, or take it off a default. If it was me, that's what I would do, because I have to watch what I'm saying here. I can't tell you what to do. So it's up to you what put number, because in the middle of the night, that fucking thing can sell on you when the market opens like that if you're not paying attention. What if it goes up thousands of percent, like we know it's gonna, and you're not paying attention, and it rips and goes up and fucking just taps the number that you did, right? That you haven't, that is automatically set in your phone. A lot of them are set for $100, $200, even numbers, right? Boom, you just sold all your shares, and now there's no shares. There's buy buttons taken off, or the sell buy buttons. You can't buy them because that's what's probably going to happen with this. Okay, so that's just one thing that you should check right away, my friend, on your app. Just make sure that those limit, or call them and just ask. Education is good. It's power, especially in the stock market. So I just want to get that off the table. Now the 3 rules. I got 4, but 3 rules. You should, if it was me, when I say that, it's because I can't tell you what to do, right? That's just our lingo on the channel, is 3 rules. The first is a share recovery. I call it that, okay? Whatever you spent into the market to buy your shares, okay? And then taxes. So I put 40%. I think it's 38 to 41. Depends on how much your money you're making, where you live, what province or county, wherever, or state, wherever you live. Okay, it's different wherever. You want to be able to recover your share money. Okay, pay your taxes and a little bit of extra money. Okay, I'm not talking about getting rich. You got to take greed off the table. We're not doing that. That's not the first step. So now if something goes wrong, just say something fucks right up and they halt this thing for 30 days, or there's a lot of shit that can happen with the stock that it probably has never been done before. We're going to have problems. I know that for a fact. I'm not saying prepare for the worst, reward for the future. Okay. So if you prepare for the worst, you'll always be in a happy mood, right? Because you'll always do good, right? And the second one, you should have a number for that. The amount of shares that you're going to have to do, right, to put away for that, and just a little bit of money, like a little bit of, I don't know. I can't discuss how much. You will know that. The second one is for the push. Poof, right? You got to take greed off the table. I don't know whose channel you watch and all that shit. It's not going to go to 100,000 or 500,000 or 2 million or 1 million a share. It's fucking impossible. Okay, they'll shut it down before that. It just won't. The system's not made to go that high. Okay, it never has, never will. Okay, so the guys on here, if you're new to the channel, you can ask them. You guys can help them out on the chat bar. What price range is realistic? Okay, to hit it on the top, nobody on this channel will hit it down. I can guarantee that, because it's double-edged knife sword the first bit. We don't care about what it's hitting it on the top. There's ways to make money that is way easier, and it just works out better, and it's more realistic, right? Because once you only get one shot at this. If you fuck up, you're done. That's it. You're done. There won't be another squeeze like this. Okay, I can guarantee it. Too many rules have changed behind us, and after this does, I'm not saying that other stocks aren't going to squeeze. There's a lot that are going to go with this. I'm talking that there will be nothing like this. Okay, this is the change in evolution history here on the stock market. This is a one-time thing. This motherfucker's been priming for a long time. So the other thing is the push. Okay, so you're gonna know how many shares for the one, a lot, for the first step, right? Share recovery. The second one, I know I'm explaining this really slow because I want this really to sink in. Okay. The second one is what I'm doing is for the push. I thought of a number and the amount of shares that I want to get to, right? To make it comfortable, right? I already know where I'm to make myself a millionaire. Okay. I have 1,000 shares roughly. Okay. And it doesn't matter how many shares you have. That's not what we're discussing here. It doesn't matter how many shares. Like, you could have more than me, you could have less than me. It doesn't matter. We don't judge people on this channel. We're probably one of the very few channels that don't give a shit if you own one share. We don't care if you own any shares. It doesn't matter. We're all family here, right? So, for the push. So you got to figure out what you need to get to that push. This is the main number that you're going to get to, okay? You got to take greed off the table. Okay? If you do get too greedy and you're holding, you're going to miss the squeeze. You're going to be holding while the whole thing's over, okay? You want to make sure you nail it, okay? So you've already recovered your shares. So you got that out of the stress off the table. Okay, you don't need to fucking worry about making your money back. You've already done it. So this is the push. You want to get to that number or close to that number where you can get to. Okay, then this is what I do. This is what my system, and I've done it on other stocks. I made a lot of money. Okay, this system is flawless. This system, what I'm doing right now, it's fucking flawless. You get it 100% every time. Okay, if you're truthful with yourself and you take the greed off the table, that's the only thing that can fuck you. Okay, so you complete that. You get to the push. You get to a number that you're comfortable with. Okay. The third one, you save some shares from. I've got dog hair on my nose. The third one, you have a little bit of shares there. Okay, you've already made all your money. You've already done really good. Okay, this is called the greed pile. I call it. This is for, let's see what we can do. If you lose these shares and the market it collapses and you make nothing and you're stuck with these fucking shares, oh well, you've already made your money. These are ones that you don't really care about. I don't know how many you're gonna have put aside for that. I can speak for myself. There's gonna be about 100 shares there. Okay, left. Okay. Not much more. Okay. So that one is, let's test the market out. Let's see what happens here. If it starts collapsing, I already know I bought my shares. I'm very honest with this, and I don't mind sharing this stuff with you. I bought some at $8 and some chump change, and the other ones, a majority of them are at $14. Okay. And some are at like 40, but we're just going to use those two brackets for now. So I know that when I bought those shares that this company is worth $14 all day long. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Even if you bought it 40, it doesn't matter. It is what it is. Right. So that little bit on the end, if it goes higher than what your number is, say it doubles what you thought it was, fuck, you did good, but you're not planning for that. If it collapses, that's when you're going to sell. But if it goes up more than what you did for the second one, doing good. Just don't get too fucking greedy. And that's your share. That's called a 3-system share recovery. Okay. Or a 3-system selling feature. And that's just what I do on the market. That's the only way. Every other way you'll lose fucking money. And you might do good for 1 or 2 times. No, you'll lose it all. Okay, guaranteed. The market's fucked right now. So I had to come up with a way to minimize my risk, but you have to recalibrate your brain to not be greedy. Okay, it's kind of hard because there's 80%, 90% of the stuff on YouTube is bullshit. Okay, and I know I'm saying I'm a creator too. That's the reason why I made the channel. I try to really not fucking blow shit up and try to make it non-realistic. I'd have probably 100,000 subs if I did that. I'm not after that, right? It's just, I can't lie to people. And if I intentionally do it, I apologize. Or if I made a mistake, it's so minute, it's not going to affect your life. So brother, there you go. So everybody has you can ask everybody on the channel. I know these guys will tell you, man, straight. I can't legally tell you anything like that. These guys are really good guys on here, and ladies too. The ladies are fucking awesome too. They can discuss. You guys can talk. You can ask them prices and stuff on here, what they're gonna sell it. They know what my price ranges are, and I can't discuss it. I've talked to them on private chats, and they've come on here and they can talk about it. They know. I've told them what I'm selling it. Yeah. So, are you still on here, my friend? I know I take a long time going on about shit, but anyways, nice to meet you, and wished you well, man, on the stock squeeze. So yeah, that's that, man. And everybody else has a different outlook on some people. I've had some people come on fucking privately message, you're a fucking asshole, fuck you, you're telling them that's not true, and all that. But those people, and then I say, well, prove me wrong. What do you own? What do you have? What do you got? This, show me your fucking bank statement. Shit, I show my stocks live. Okay, I'm truthful. I'm down 90% on a couple stocks, right? Those are because I made this shit up from losing money. Ever since that, I've done really good, right? I still come my average. I average down and lose money, yeah, but I don't fuck myself, right? You can't control the system. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, man. Education's the power on the stock market, and it's really hard to get real honest information. I just don't know what else to say. You're just gonna have to watch and make a judgment for yourself, right there. Either you like the channel or you don't. Right? Some people just like being lied to. I'm not saying you're in, but people just sometimes just love it. I don't know why. Humans are a weird bunch of people, right? It is what it is. I don't know what else to say, guy. I know. Go watch a couple different channels and stuff and see what you think. Right? Just be careful of the pump and dumps, like that Clove. I'm not going to mention who was talking about it. Bigger YouTuber. There's a couple of them that were talking about it and fucked a lot of people over, man. People have lost their houses and shit. I've heard some nightmare stories. Couple people committed suicide over that. Okay. So just don't get yourself screwed up. Okay. Sorry, guys, for the regulars. Sorry about. It is what it is. I always, when it's a younger person, guy, girl, I always go over and beyond. The floor is yours, my friends. He's probably not even here anymore. I probably scared him away. Anyways, guys, I'm going to have to wrap this. We're later than... Oh, thanks, Sanjay. Thanks, guys. Thanks, man. I know we only got 17 people. I scared half the people. Well, they've already heard my story probably like 10 times over, but it is what it is. And there you go, Mr. L. I think I got a message, private message. Aw, thank you. Thank you. I just got a message from one of you guys on the wall. Okay, guys, it's that time of day. I'm gonna have to go my brekkie. The wife's up, the dogs are up. Thank you all for all the likes. Thanks for the love. That's nice, man. 44. That's how old I am. 44. Talk about good numbers, eh? So, guys, oh, not a problem, Lloyd. And just like I said, it is what it is, bro. It's a fucking hard game to get into, man. Everybody will talk about everybody will talk about all the money they make, and they'll never talk about the money they lost. Okay, and 98% of the people lose money on the stock market. Okay, I'm just telling you that right now, and don't believe anything else everybody has to say. Okay, I'm telling you that. First couple times trading, they'll lose almost all their money. Okay. Very few people might hit it one, twice big, but then they'll double down and lose all their money. Okay, it's just, yeah, man. There you go. Sanjay's and Lloyd come back tomorrow. See, there you go, man. They're already liking you, so you'll get a lot. These guys on this channel here will help you out, man. You're invited to our family. There you go. Okay, brother. Okay, guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for letting me spend time like that with Lloyd there, guys. Yeah, we hit that $40. Yeah, I can't see it. We're hitting at that. We're stuck. We're consolidating now. Yeah, there we go. I think we found our low, guys. I'm just looking at everything else here. Let's see, have a look here. Blackberry's stabilized. Bath and Beyond, yeah, it's gone. It's back down to, it's found its low too. It's gonna stay there for the day. Might even go to about 17%. Crypto's still, it's all down a bit. Yeah, fuck, it did it again. It went back to 26. Bet you that'll be at 24 tomorrow. It won't go any lower. 23 tops. Doge will go down and then it'll go back up again. Yeah, guys, I don't see anything exciting on there. Whoa, Sheepcoin's down. Fuck, it's back down there again. Damn it. Fuck, eh. The only way to make money is on to buy lots of it on that one right now. He'll get its thing going on. Oh, thanks, Jamal. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the morning. I'll see you guys in the morning. I was just checking to make sure I answered all your guys' questions. Okay, love you, Wolfpack. I'm over and out. Peace.